May I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
All right, party people in the house.
Party, party!
Oh no, see you walking around like it's a funeral. Not so serious, girl, why the feet cold? We're just getting started, don't you tiptoe, tiptoe. Waste time with a masterpiece, waste time with a masterpiece. You should be wrong with me, you should be wrong with me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you move so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Talk to me, baby. I'm going far from this. This was dreaming. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go fucking crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. Hold me, baby. I've been needing you, been a yawning. Whoa, let's lose our minds and go crazy, crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. God dang, see you licking frosting from your own hands. Want another taste? I'm begging, yes, man. I'm tired of this game on the trialing, trialing. Oh, waste time with a masterpiece, waste time with a masterpiece. You should be wrong with me, you should be wrong with me. You're a real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. But you're moving so carefully, let's start living dangerously. Whoa. Talk to me, baby. I'm going far from this, this is crazy. Whoa, let's lose our mind and go crazy, crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. For me, baby. I'll be needing you, been a yawning. Whoa, let's lose our mind and go crazy, crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean. Ay, 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 ay. Keep on hoping we'll escape by the ocean.
Give me your touch, baby.
Yes, baby.
I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. Young wonderful flawless, all your sexy lady.
You sexy lady.
But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Oh, I know that you don't know it, but you find so fine, find so fine. Oh boy, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine. Trisha, love.
thank you so much. That was by Paris Hilton. Yes, I would like to say good morning, everyone.
Yes,
Or
good
good morning and
Shout out sa lahat.
Welcome again.
yes, and welcome here at Grand LS.
Jembuilders! Asan ka na, sir? Akyat ka, sir.
Oo. Ayan.
Hindi man umakyat si sir. Jembuilders.
Yeah, sila Ma'am Senyorita, Sir Cheska, Dom Stevie, Maria Wright, hi po sa inyo, Ma'am Maribik,
Yes.
Voice TV, MV Solo, hi po.
Right. To Jump Pusang Gala. Ayan, Ma'am Marivik Gatula, Ma'am Cheska L, Maria Wright. Ma'am Feby Manzano, welcome back. To
Yun,
Ma'am
si Sir
Elma
Alpha.
Story,
Good
mega
evening
shout
po,
out
Sir
Alpha
Alpha.
Romeo, mega shout out.
Morning pala. Miss.
Elma Montali, shout out. Thank you so much, Elma
Ma'am
Montali.
Senyorita Jen.
And Ma'am Tess Alonso, hi po sa inyo. Joel Malare, Rosalina Liming, hi po.
Accent
Hi,
852 Vlog.
Elmeraldo Labajo.
Ay! Pagchor. Ay,
Makulit! Mega shout
Mangingisda na
out.
naman niya mamaya.
And Solo, hi po sa iyo. Hi po sa inyo po. And thank you so much po sa support niyo po. And we have-
Sir, walang mga jacket, sir. Pwede ka ba maka-jacket, sir? Sir Jembuilders.
Dito ako sa baba. Ayun, sabi ni Sir Jembuilders. Nakasaka na gyud.
Sir
mga
Alpha
jacket.
o Alpha Romeo, ang paborito ng
Basher.
Marunong ka ba mag-jacket, sir? Sir
Si
Jembuilders?
Jembuilders. Maraming salamat, Set Y Ram Vlog. Doms TV.
Let's get loud, Cheska L.
Suki.
Sige po, in a while po, Cheska. Kantahin namin yan, request niyo po, in a while po
Shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Telma Aquino. Hello. Ayan,
Ma'am
mag-enjoy
Maribel.
kayo To all our FLM families. Ayan, mega shoutout sa inyo. One love at long live sa lahat.
Walang jacket.
Oo, medyo, first time po kasi ni Sir Jem ngayon, na bonggang-bonggang live stream talaga. Hindi pa po niya alam kung paano po mag-jacket ata.
Punta ka sa YouTube mo, sir. Tapos yung mga pangalan ng mga sinong gusto mong jacketan dyan, i-press mo lang. Tapos
Yung mga pangalan nila, sir, i-click mo lang po yan at gawin mo pong moderator.
add moderator po.
Makulit
Add
ako.
moderator.
Hi sa'yo. Hi po. Malamig ba? Sabi nga nila, sir, si Ma'am Elma, okay lang yung jacket MJ, may nang maghubo, magsayaw.
Panuhuton.
Di, uso na ng panuhotron.
Sige, sige. Lagyan ko lang daw. Lagyan ko
Tinulyan
na
na
lang.
lang daw.
Tingnan natin. Sige,
Sir
sige.
Jim, for a while po.
Ito muna.
Doms TV, kanina ka pa talaga yung dadalhin na. Ano ba dadalhin namin sa'yo, Doms TV?
Ang pangarap mo.
Dadalhin. Ang super
Makulit
chat.
ako, kumusta? Si Ma'am Feby Manzano, ayan, nandyan pa rin. Salamat po sa inyo. Yung mga sinabi ba? Kid Blaster, Kid
Kanina pa po,
Blaster
gininaw.
Master.
Yan. So, hindi pa dikit kay Sir Jembuilders.
Opo,
Dikit
at
kayo, ha?
Dikitan niyo po si Sir Jim at saka po huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-thumbs up.
Thumbs up po.
Yeah.
Supportahan po natin yung
Yes.
yung bonggang-bonggang LS ni Sir ngayon.
Yeah, sponsored by Jembuilders.
Ang ating Superman in the
The
house.
Superman. in the
Tulungan po
Yes.
natin si Sir Jim. Irene Blondie's channel, hi po sa inyo, ma'am.
Okay, we would like to do our next song.
Okay lang daw, walang dyan.
Para sa lahat ng mga inlababo na gusto nang mag-settle down.
Yes, and
mag-settle
also
down.
to Sir Jim, one of your favorite.
Tugtugin namin lahat ng paboritong kanta na si Jembuilders.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that every moment, I found the one.
Salamat, Ma'am Tess Alonso, sa pag-ipat po.
Peace in peace. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful so beautiful and wild tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring, I say to the world,
Salamat
you're
pa, mga
my
Jembuilders channel.
reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You
Hello,
look
Mama
so
Rebecca
beautiful
Luna.
and wild. And from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful and wild tonight. Oh, you look so beautiful and wild. And from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful and wild. And from
Thank you, Dom Stevie.
so as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful and wild. And from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful and wild. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful and wild. And from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish.
Salamat
You
po,
look
Alma
so
Story.
beautiful and wild tonight.
Thank you.
Perfect by Ed Sheeran. Sige po, Ma'am Cheska L.
Watching every motion in my foolish love's on this endless ocean, finding love is no shame. Searching in return to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn around and say, take my breath away. Take my breath away. Watching, I keep waiting, still anticipating love. Never hesitate to become the faithful ones. Turning and return to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn to me and say, my love, take my breath away. Through the hourglass I saw you, in time you slipped away. When the mirror glassed I caught you,
Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Watching every motion in this foolish love escape.
Ma'am Elma Mangani, mega shout out.
Haunted by the notion somewhere there's a love in flames. Setting out a song to some secret place inside. Watching in slow motion as you turn away and say, my love, take my breath away. My love, take my breath away. My love, take my breath
Ayun na, ayun na.
away. Thank you.
Mag-request na guys. Mag-order na kayo guys. Mag-request kayo dyan.
Yeah,
Tira mo
shoutout
kanta.
po, Lady Boss. Hi po sa inyo.
Ito naman si Doms talaga. Take my brief away ko, no?
Take my brief pala. Ayun. Ma'am Telma Aquino, hi po sa inyo. Love this.
Yes,
brother.
Kapansit Hunter. Mega shoutout to
Heart of
Lismel
Gold, hi po.
Lade.
Salamat po sa
Yan,
inyo.
mega shoutout po.
And Wilberna Chua. Hi po sa inyo, sir. I think is nasa sa Korea, I think. Diba?
Nox
So,
the Sewer TV. Mega shoutout.
Golden Girl Jamming Time. Yes po.
It's
Golden
jamming
Girl.
time. RD Mina,
I won't
wait
hold
away.
you back po, sabi ni Maria
tiyo,
Ana Cecilia. I won't hold you back.
Roy Mercin Vlog. Mega shoutout.
You've got a friend. Sige po, Mama Ani Mendoza. Pag hindi pa po namin makanta yung mga request niyo po, ulit-ulitin niyo na lang po para kasi mabilis po yung ano ni Sir Gemma.
Ayun, Haru, Ma'am
We are
Lady
on
Boss.
39, you see? We are on 39.
Natulog ka ba, Ma'am Lady Boss?
Pwede bang imahe? Sige po. Ma'am Chik Wada, hi po sa inyo.
Golden Girl, All of Me by John Legend.
John Legend, sige po. Ano pa ba dyan? Ay, Doms, wag mo nang basahin. Kay Doms TV, wag mo nang basahin dahil alam na
Kaya nga eh.
Alam na.
Jay Malinlin sa
alam na natin kung anong
Mega
request ni
shoutout.
Doms TV eh.
Ito yung mahiyain na
Ayun.
kapal ng mukha. Joke.
Si NV Solo, the day you went away.
O, diba? Nahihiya daw siyang mag-request. Pero, ang kamay niya hindi talaga nahihiya. Sa bahay. Ang bilis. Ang bilis talaga, grabe.
Paulit-ulit pa yan. O, tingnan mo si Doms TV.
Copy
Tingnan
paste.
mo. Novela. Oh, sabi ni Mama
Ang
Rivic.
aga ni Mama, no? Cheska L. Let's
Si
get
Cheska
loud.
din, let's get loud. O, tingnan mo, nag-ulit na naman.
O, di ba? Bilis ng kamay.
Hugot ka daw.
Talaga eh.
Ay, naku po. Oh, sige po. Ayun, mamaripit ka tula, nobela daw. Maria Ana Cecilia. Ayun, sige po.
So guys, another song from Jim para po kay Sir Jim. One of his favorite songs.
And they solo and Ma'am Eddie
Perfect.
Sanchez Capiso. Thank you, Shara. Dayan.
I don't wanna lose you, but I don't wanna use you just to have somebody by my side. I don't wanna hate you, but I don't wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. And that don't really matter to anyone anymore. But like a fool, I keep losing my place. I keep seeing you walk through that door. But
There's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people will say where they are.
Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. I don't wanna blame you, baby. You don't have to take the fall.
Yes, I may have hurt you, but I do not deserve you. Maybe I just wanna have it all. It's the sunlight thunder. It makes me feel like the rain.
Never fool, never see the truth.
And I keep thinking something's gonna change.
Okay, Ma'am
But
Senyorita.
there's a danger in loving somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people will stay where they are.
Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. And there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. All the things that you wanted to say. Do you feel me beside you in your bed? There beside you where I used to live.
Gandang gabi din, Blowing 801 TV.
JRMT House. Hi po sa inyo.
Jembuilders TV. Mega shout out.
There's a danger in love with somebody too much. And it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people will say where they are.
Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Ooh, oh. Ooh,
Yes, favorite din po yan yung JRMT House.
Here's another song dedicated to Ma'am Happy Valentine and Sir Jorik Masimulo. So, Ma'am Happy Valentine.
Yeah, get well soon, Ma'am Happy.
Get well soon po.
Fight lang po.
Sana'y dinggin mo ang awit kong ito. Awit ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Awit na may pag-ibig mula sa aking puso. Ang awit kong ito'y para sa'yo. Langit ang bawat saglit sa piling
Andito.
High five na. To Envy Solo, ito na po yung request nyo.
Thank you, Roy. Mercy. Bye.
Could it be when I was dreaming about you, baby, you were dreaming of me? Call me crazy, call me blind, to still be suffering, stupid after all of this time. Did I lose my love for someone better? And does she love you like I do? I do. You know I really, really do. Well, hey, there's so much I need to say. Been lonely since the day you went away. So sad but true, for me there's only you. Been crying since the day you went away.
Mike Espang.
I remember date and time, September 22nd, Sunday 25 after 9 in Dartaway. With the case, no longer shouting at each other, there were tears in our faces,
Thank you
and
so
we
much,
were letting go for something special, something we'll never have again. I know, I guess I really, really know. Well, hey, there's so much I need to say. Been lonely since the day you went away. So sad but true, for me there's only you. Been crying since the day you went away. That day you went away. The day you went away. Did I lose my life for someone better? And does she love you like I do? I do. You know I really, really do. Well, hey, so much I need to say. Been lonely since the day you went away. So sad but true, for me there's only you. Been crying since the day you went away. Why do we never know what we get till it's gone? How could I carry on the day you went away? 'Cause I've been missing you so much, I have to say. Been crying since the day you went away. The day you went away. The day you went away. Go on, yeah. Yeah, para favorite talaga
Yan.
yung MV Solo.
Shout out to Mike Espang
Bakit
Kapus.
kaya?
Shout out sa iyo, Sir Mike.
Bakit kaya?
And Lucille Nolasco, Auntie Bibi, shout out sa iyo dyan from
MV Solo.
LA, California.
Yes po, hi po sa inyo. Good morning po.
Ano pa mga request dyan? Okay, request?
Doms TV, ang Stella. Lores Stella.
Lores Stella.
Yes.
Gabi yan ah.
Gabi talaga na, Gabi.
Complete.
Grabe ka talaga, Doms TV. Bakit sila lang dalawa na alala mo? Ako
Ayun.
walang
Special ba ka?
walang request.
Ala, lagot ka.
Di ka na pwede mag-request.
Hindi na pwede.
Sir Jembuilders! Akyat ka, Jembuilders!
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Sa sinong gustong umakyat, andyan yung hagdan sa, kay, ano, sa nakapin sa taas kay Jembuilders.
Wow! Ganda naman ang request ni Accent. Let Me Be There.
Be There by Olivia Newton.
Sana. Sige, 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 accent. Kantahin natin yan.
I won't hold you back. Tio, Tio. Yo, mama. Rainbow naman po.
Elma Montali! Elma Montali, andyan lang oh. Nakikinig lang yan dyan.
Wala, andyan lang yan. Ma'am Elma.
Pa-BG-BG lang yan. Thank you so much, Elma. Okay. Sige, ante. The Gift. The Gift. Okay, so ayun na. Subukan namin yan.
Yun.
Nagkakarami
Nakakaramis.
ka na. Patay ka kay Ma'am Elma.
Teka, kulatahon juga.
Ay, nako. Hapunesa 10 Music Vlog. Shoutout daw, sabi ni Quiz TV. Here's another request.
If I had another chance tonight, I try to tell you that the things we had right. Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. Now you're gone, I'm really not the same. I guess I held myself to blame. Time can erase the things we said, but it gives me time to realize that you're the one who cares.
Nako, it hurts pa.
You know I won't hold you back now. The love we have just can't be found. You know I can't hold you back now.
Thank you so much, Sir Jem.
Now that I'm alone, it gives me time to think about the years that you were mine. Time can erase the love we share, but it gives me time to realize just how much you care. You know I won't hold you back now. The love we had just can't be found. Just like you, baby. You know I won't hold you back now.
Sir Macbert, 23. What's up? Mega shoutout po. TG Doha. Mega shoutout.
just like you, baby. You know I can hold you back now. The love we had just can't be found. You know I won't hold you back now. The love we have just can't be found. You know I'll hold you back now. The love we have just can't be found. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yan si Ma'am Maria Ana Cecilia po ang nag-request nun.
Yan si Macber, oh.
Ayan.
Macber!
Good morning sa iyo.
Oy, good morning. Kakagising lang.
Yeah, kagising lang. Baka i-announce mo maya yung ano, yung Mayaman Challenge mamaya ni Kasin Jembuilders.
Oo nga.
Last G's ba yan? Umaga na?
Oo, alas 6 ng umaga. Shoutout nga pala sa magagandang singer dyan, ha?
Ayan. Yan. Anong request
Good
mo?
morning sa iyo.
Good morning po.
Baka mag-through the fire ka naman, ha?
Ano lang sa akin, Kiss.
Kiss me? Ano? Kiss yung kay Tom Jones?
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me out.
Ayan ba?
Yun, no?
Yan,
Hindi,
Macber.
kiss lang, kiss. Yung ano?
Kiss
Ano
lang.
ang kiss?
Mwah.
Kiss lang sa mga singer.
Ay, naku po.
Yun ang madali.
Akala ko.
Madali di ay.
Madali lang yung kiss. Isang kiss lang.
Ayun. Thank you, thank you.
Ang tagal pa yung kanta eh.
Ayaw.
Ayan. Ayan.
Ayun, ha? Shoutout sa lahat. Nako. Ang ganda ng gising ko. Sound trip agad.
Po.
Ano, how am I supposed to live without you?
Yan, kay Michael Bolton. Tsaka, bisan pa, si Doms TV, daming nire-request. And the gift.
Yun, pantos na.
Ay, ito sir, may kaisipang kapos, may ka-shoutout po sa...
And also to Ma'am JRMT.
Anong oras dyan, boss? Macber, anong oras dyan ngayon? Mga alas 5?
8:27 a.m.
Morning.
Oh, morning.
Tama, pagkatapos namin, ano namin, mag-ano na kayo
sila
dyan.
na naman.
Kayo na naman, lipat lahat dito.
Oo, di ba?
Let's mornings the nights.
Magkapi ka muna, Macber.
Oh, sige, sige,
Okay,
ha?
Kapi muna dyan.
Makikinig
Another
lang ako.
concert song.
Sige
MJ,
po.
Mama
salamat.
Dyan, ang mama chup.
Chup chup.
Oh, dyan, oh. Sige.
Okay, here we go. Another concert song.
Flower Rose, may ka-shoutout.
Jim Brickman, The Gift.
Maraming salamat pong blessings.
I love you, Jembuilders. I love you.
Yes, Jembuilders.
Oo nga, Sir Jim. Parehas na sila.
When the snow is falling down, children laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire, we wait. You're the answer when I pray I would find someone. Baby, I found you. 'Cause all I want is to hold you forever. And all I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away. And I'm thankful every day for that.
Thank you, Axel. Mamaya.
Watching us so softly swing, what a give it up again. Just this moment, if only time stood still. But the colors fade away, and the years will make us gray. But baby, in my eyes, still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away.
And thanks for everything, for the gift.
Sige po, Apple. In a while ago.
All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart.
You gave your love away.
I can't find the words to say.
I'm thankful every day.
For the gift.
Wow.
Ayan o, nag-super chat si Doms TV.
Isang lapad.
Maraming
Yeah.
Japanese.
Yeah,
Requested
thank you
by
so much.
Ma'am
Yeah, Ate
Lucel
Lucel
Nolasco.
Nolasco. Yes.
Thank you po.
Anard Remorta, hi po sa iyo. Ryan
Shout
Vlog.
out.
Thank you po sa inyo. And
Apple.
may pin po dyan. Bahay po yan ni Sir Jim. Pwede po tayo pumunta
Mm-hmm.
doon sa kabila.
And guys, may
Ano
nakapin na
natin
ano
siya.
guys sa ibabaw ng yung
Help.
Jembuilders po sir.
Opo.
Mga guwaps, mga gwapo. Ayan. Hazel Bookline OFW, hi po. May shoutout po sa inyo. Sabi ni Sir Jem, laki niyan. Ayan, to those who requested this song, here's a song by Juan Carlos Labajo.
Juan Carlos Labajo.
You're
Buwan.
Yun.
Pajakit naman, Ilmeraldo Labajo. Buwan.
Sir Jim, jacket daw. Sabi
nilalamig
ni
si
Elmer.
Elmeraldo Labajo.
I love you, Jembuilders.
Ako'y sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa panig. Ako ngayon nag-iisa. Sana ay tabihan na. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, ayokong mabuhay na malungkot.
Okay lang po, Sir Mike, isipang kapos.
Ikaw ang nagpapasaya. At magkakasama hanggang sa
Yan.
pagtanda.
Automatic yan, automatic.
Matek.
Automatic
Tayo'y bumigay.
Basta Alfa Romeo, automatic.
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan,
Isda.
On guitar. Jembuilders!
Naman. Ayos yan, Ma'am Elma. Okay lang po, sir. May kaisipan. Ang iyong ganda umaabot sa buwan-buwan. Ang tibok ng puso'y rinig sa kalawakan at bumabalik dito sa akin. Ikaw ang mahal, ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Pakinggan ang puso, damdamin, damdamin aking damdamin. Sa ilalim ng pusilang, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan, pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw. Sa dilaw na buwan, alright, thank you so much.
Yay!
Nagising ang natutulog kong lalamunan.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir Alpha!
Yes.
Watch out!
Yun!
Kamusta, Jembuilders?
Ayan, Jembuilders in the house.
Jembuilders in the house ba?
Yes po, sir.
Andyan lang yan, nasa baba, ayaw umakyat eh.
Parang natakot siya sa channel niya.
Oo, parang nervyos, sir.
Na-nervyos na sa channel niya, sir, Alpha.
First Ay, nako.
Yeah, Latina
Alam niyo naman, ang
Pilipina.
Alpha Romeo, dito lang naman. Lagi na.
Yes.
Ang bayan.
Yes.
Ito yung Berhin na channel.
Very supportive in the house.
Berhin sa LS.
Hi, Parking Boy, FLM TV. Hi,
Ano, umakyat na.
Ayun, no?
Kapakit ka ba?
Natatakot
Hi
ako
po,
eh.
Ma'am Golden Heart.
Kapakit ka na.
Andyan na.
Morning.
Ma'am
Sir
Golden
Alpha.
Heart, dito tayo kay,
Yes,
kay Sir Jim.
magandang gabi na ba dyan? Good morning.
Gandang umaga dito.
Magandang umaga, Jim. Kamusta, Jim? Trabaho ba tayo? Lunes na dyan, Jim. Monday? Oo. Advance nga pala. Saan ka, Jim? Canada? Magandang umaga, Jim. Trabaho ba tayo?
Linggo ngayon dito.
Lunes na dyan, Jim.
Sunday dito.
Sunday ko ba dyan? Okay. Advance nga pala.
Oo.
Saan ka, Jim? Canada?
Sa Bay Area, San Francisco.
Jim, na yung nakabukas sa YouTube.
Linggo.
Good morning. So late kayo. Dito gabi na eh. Maglulunis na ako. Pero
May nakabukas yata.
kabukas na.
Dali. Nandito na ako.
Na-busy si Sir.
Gusto mo
Busy
ba
kasi.
maging member ng automatic?
Alfa Romeo Automatic. Grabe to,
Oo, yun ang
Ikaw
member.
naka-invento niyan, sira? Automatic, sira?
Walang antras yun. Pwede lang. Yung
Natutuwa
automatic,
tuloy mag...
huwag kayong kukuha ng maano kasi minsan may antras yun. Ma-antras.
Oo nga.
Hindi pwedeng tulak yun.
Huwag na yung manual, automatic talaga, automatic. Sige,
Maria
kanta-
Luis Pagnite, huwag niyo iwan sama ko pag lala ka. Wow.
Or to
Bonso,
accent
Bonasera.
na nagre-request ng Let Me Be There.
Try natin to.
We're gonna try this song for you po. It's been a while I didn't sing this song and parang taas-taas po to. Parang
Actually, kanina,
wala nang
habang
boses.
break time, habang
I'm
break time
gonna
kasi
try this song
natutulog
for you,
kami.
accent.
Nagigising lang.
Kagigising lang.
Wake up like this.
Nakatulog
Wake
kami
up like
konti.
this. Oo. Tapos natutulog na din yung botet namin.
Oo. Karat-karat.
Dirty na ba? Jim?
It's gonna be a country song.
Yeah. Olivia Newton-John.
Wherever you go, wherever you may wander in your life, surely you know I always wanna be there, holding your hand and standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through and everything you do. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right.
Make it right.
Let me take you through the wonderland. All that you can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Watching you go
Yeah, ba?
and going through the changes. Watching you go. Ayun, nakalimutan na. And going through the changes in your life. No, I always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to let on, here I am. Whenever you call, you know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland. All that you can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever is wrong and make it right. Make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland. All that you can share. All I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there. Ayun.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. You're welcome, accent. Salamat din po. At least parang
Review.
na-review.
Oh.
Oo, na-review namin yung kanta na yun. No?
Yan.
Tagal na.
Oo.
Okay lang yan.
2000 something.
Hindi naman kasi masyadong yan dito sa atin,
Sa
di ba?
atin, yes.
Nasa ibang bansa lang kasi yung kanta na yan.
Hikaru TV Mega Show.
For strong winds.
Uy, ayun oh.
Ayun, si
Automatic.
Sir Alpha.
Matek, matek.
Teka muna. Sige.
Matek na yan.
Matic. Smart
Ito muna,
Matic.
sir.
Tatawag si
Natatawa talaga ako pag sinabi niya sa inyo.
Ay, nai.
Hi po sa inyo, Valentino Cadiz. Hi, hi, hi.
Ah,
Matik na
anyway,
yan. Opo, Sir Jim.
Jim, para sa yan.
I go out to Alberta, where there's good there in the bone. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still, I wish you would change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times before. Isang mata, sige, ito. For a strong winds that blows lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. As a fan for Valentino, if I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I send you down to fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds sure can blow cold way out there. For strong winds that blows lonely, 7 seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. Emily Liwon, mega shoutout po ulit, ma'am.
Okay, Ken. Ikay baba kinasa. Batay na mo.
Oh, sige. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. For strong winds that blows lonely, 7 seas that run high, and all those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm never back this way. I look for you if I'm never back this way.
Salamat po, Ma'am Gloria de la
Ang
Cruz.
gagaling. Maraming salamat sa inyong magagandang tinig. Ayan, ha? Ay, nagpipidback.
Ay,
Yayamanin ako. Ayan, dala-dalawa ang aking ha? Isang masigabong palakpakan muli. Ayan, ha? Mega shoutout po dyan sa baba. Unang-una po ay Jembuilders TV. Joke lang. Ako pala yun. Ayan. Kabalin, Allow me to shout out all of your visitors, ha? Very successful channel, ha? At napakaganda ng mga dilag dito. Ano ba yan? Ah, thank you, Lord. Nagkakasala ang aking mga mata. Ayan. Hello. Hello mga ate ko.
Hello.
Hi sa'yo, kuya.
Ayan. I love you po all. Bakit parang nagtitibak? Ay. Hello po, Alpha Romeo. Magandang
Hello, Jilan TV. Kamusta?
gabi po.
Hello din, hello.
Naging seryoso, umakyat na, Alpha Romeo. Siguro din.
Don't dream it's over by Toto. Don't dream it's over, ma'am. Si ano po yan? Si...
Jilan TV. Open camera nga, Jilan. Para makilala ka.
Ako po, ako po.
Yes, oo.
Opo.
Pakibuksan mo. Kasi para makilala ka nila.
Baka po ma-inlove sila sa akin. Siguro.
Baka makapagkamalan ka ng basher mo.
Yes. One link TV. Sige po, salamat po.
To Ma'am Irene Blondes channel. Sige po, ma'am.
Yung kisap mata, yes, sige, sige.
Yan, pakita.
Ayun.
I love you
Ano
po.
pala?
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Ayan, si parking boy pala yan, di ba? Di pala, sorry.
Bababa na po ako. Kabalin, bababa na ako. Babay po.
Sorry.
Sige. Salamat sa pagbisita.
Ayun.
Nagkakasala po ang mata ko rito sa taas. Grabe, ang ganda. Mukha po ba ako si Loverboy? O si Parking Boy?
Parking boy na sabi, akala nila si parking boy.
Yes po, Ma'am Maria Ana Cecilia.
Okay, another requested song by Michael Bolton. Try lang ha.
Oo. To Ma'am Irene Blondes channel, ito na po yung request niyo po.
When I heard the news today, I had to come to get it straight from you. Yes, if you leave it, someone swept your heart away. From the look upon your face, I say it's true. Tell me all about, tell me about the plans you make it. Tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now I've been loving you so long.
Shout out to you, Aguila.
How am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? In order I believe before it's gone.
Jembuilders!
Thank you, Sir Jam.
We got people crying, didn't come to break down.
Kumakati na naman si Jembuilders.
Just a dream of mine is coming. And how can I blame you when I build my world around the hope that one day with so much more praise?
Only TV.
And I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Oh, did you know it's more like I tell? Tell me me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now when I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on? And all that I believe in for is gone.
This was a requested song
Si
by
Ragila, hi po
Iris
sa'yo, si Ragila.
Montana.
Ruben Gomez, hi po sa'yo.
I wanna know the friends are gonna be for dreaming. Not you know it, got control. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now I've been loving you so long. How am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on? You know that I believed before is gone. Live without you. I've been loving you so long. And how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? In all that I
Salamat po
believe
sa'yo, Axel.
before
Thank you po, thank you.
is gone.
Yeah.
Yes po, Apple. Ano po yun? Apple. Apple. To Golden Heart of London. Hi, Ma'am. Salamat po sa'yo.
Yun, nandito siya sa kay
Ayan,
Jembuilders.
lumipat siya sa kabila.
Maganda pala ng mga boss.
Ikaw na naman. Kakanta ka naman.
Kabalen, dakal pong salamat kay Gane. Kabalen, Jembuilders. Dakal pong salamat. Mikit ko kin. Balada, kaya ko, i-parking ko kano. So, check it.
Kudyo ka?
Ayun o, marami pong nagre-request. Sige po ha, standby po sa mga request nyo.
Kanigurang sobra-sobra Kasarada rin mata Patunala ka Lawin na kang aking mateku Uli ika'y lulukod kaku Lawin na ka ujo Hanggang ating kapang tao Ujo kaluguran ka Kaluguran sobra-sobra Kasarada rin mata Pantunanda ka Lawin na kang aking mateku Uling ika'y lulubog ako Lawin na ka ujo Hanggang ating kapang tao
Para po yan kay Sir Jembuilders, Sir
Para
Jim.
talaga mga
Nag-aral lang kami na.
Umakyat si Jembuilders, nahulog.
Inaral namin
Hindi,
yun, Sir
hindi
Jim.
kumapit.
Para po yun sa mga, ano yan, mga
Kapampangan,
kapampangan
yes,
friends out there. Yun lang po alam namin po. Pasensya po.
Pag-awit ng aming pong lingwahe.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Salamat.
May nagsisis na ako.
Alright, here's a request requested song by Dom's TV.
Dom's TV, ito na.
Doms TV, andyan ka pa ba? Huwag kang magalit.
Ito yung bahaw mong request.
Last mong request, last.
May pa-premise pa. Alright. Nitong umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing ng iyong mga matang, hayop kong tumingin. Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawat sa atin. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sila. Daig mo pa ang isang isang mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang o ba't bigla namang nawala? Daig mo pa ang isang isang mata.
Ayan si Dom. Last request mo na yan na, Doms TV.
Sabi mo kanina, promise.
May pa-warning na
May
daw.
promise.
Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda, pagkasabi mo, sana'y tayo na nga. Kani-kanina lang, pagkasaya-saya ng buhay kong bigla na lamang nag-iba. Everybody, let's sing. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pa ang isang mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang o ba't bigla na lang nawala? Daig mo pa ang isang mata.
Sorry yan ha, Doms TV.
Umaga lang, pagkalambing-lambing. Come on! Nitong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing, kani-kanina lang. Pagkaganda-ganda, kani-kanina lang. Pagkasaya-saya, o kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta. Daig mo pa ang isang mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang o ba't bigla namang nawala? Daig mo pa ang isang mata.
Yes.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Dom's TV.
Yun, yan na yung last request ni Doms TV.
Oo, kasi nag-promise siya.
Specify.
There's no outrunning 5G. And
Alright guys,
rolling
this time we're gonna do another request. Request from Annie Mendoza at saka I heard last time na para gustong-gusto nila itong kanta na to nila Sir Jim,
Sir
nila Sir
Jem,
Jim,
yes.
at saka nila Ma'am Annie, nila Ma'am Jenny, at the Golden Heart. Yeah.
Ayan, thank you, Ruben Gomez and Isha Lights. Ma'am, Sir Mike Casey Pangkapos, thank you.
So we gotta dedicate this song to them.
Sa lahat
You
ng
got a
mga,
friend.
yes. Sa lahat ng mga gusto
Mga close friend ni
close
Sir
friends
Jim.
natin dito with Sir Jembuilders.
Yes, we have 70,000 million
Wow!
in the house from Jembuilders.
Yes, Sir Jim.
Oh, ito
You've
yung
got...
paborito niya.
Oo.
Efren Bata. You got Efren Bata. Yes.
You got a friend.
Got Efren.
Kapalin, wala pa pala ako sa akin.
Pakisay po yung request niyo, sir.
When you're down in trouble and you need a helping hand, and nothing, oh, nothing's going right. Close your eyes and think of me,
Ano mo to, love?
and soon I will be there to brighten up even the darkness night. Come on, sing it, everybody! You just call on my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, or summer, or fall, all you got to do is come, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah. You got a friend.
Yes, Sir Jim. Nandito kami.
You got a friend. You got a family.
If the sky
The sky
above you
above you.
so too dark and full and
DIY
clouds,
Tones. Mega shout
and the old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door.
Alright, come on, everyone.
You just call on my name,
Everybody.
and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, or summer, or fall, all you got to do is come, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah. He ain't good to know that you got a friend. People can be so cold. They hurt you and desert you. Will they take you soul if you let them? Oh yeah, but don't you let them. You just call on my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Oh babe, don't you know that when the spring is summer or fall, now you got to do it, come, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah. You got a friend,
Monte Calvo Phone Box. Mega shout out.
you got got a friend. You've got a friend. You've got a friend. You've got a friend.
Yun.
Yeah!
Yeah, Sir Jim.
DJ Harry, the
You've
lights
got a
and
friend.
sound. Shout out.
Mayroon pang friend.
Nandito lang
That's
kami.
what friend.
Yes.
Ayan, ano pa?
Imahe.
Oh, imahe.
Imahe, tsaka
Imahe.
don't dream it's over.
Over.
Oh,
That's over. With
Dom's TV, nagpapa ka dyan, nagpaparinig ka, dan ha. Nagpaparinig ka ng dan dyan para maka-request ka, para makahilig ka.
Hindi ka naman talaga binawalan, Doms. Nagpaparinig lang sila. Pakonsensya lang ba? Pero nasa sa'yo yun, mag-request ka lang. Manong Moto Vlog. Ayun. Awit.
Alright, do you want to request this
Oh,
song?
Manong Moto Vlog.
Pinukulayan ang isipan, babalik sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang balikan, patuloy ka lang nasasaktan. Hindi na kulang kakaisip sa isang magandang larawan. Paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang pangalang nakasanayan. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Pinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Pinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Hindi na may babalik ang dating nating pagsasama. At tamis ng iyong halik ay di na madarama. Ang ako sa isa't isa ay di na mabubuhay pa. Paalam sa ating pag-ibig namin siya'y pinag-isa. Tayo ay pinagtagpo,
Sir Jim.
ngunit hindi tinadhana.
Jembuilders, automatic.
Mapaglaro itong mundo.
Sir, maghugas ka ng kamay mo, Sir Jim.
Pinalimutan kahit nahihirapan,
Hindi ba yata naghugas ng kamay si Sir Jembuilders?
para
Kumakati na naman.
sa sariling kapakanan. Pinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinatugpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi
Welcome back, Ma'am Gloria de los Santos.
sa isa't isa.
Ayan, we love you, Sir Mike Kaisipan Kapos. May ka-shoutout po ulit sa inyo, Mike Kaisipan Kapos.
Sarap mo talaga, Dom's TV. Para hindi. Just once. Oh, sabi ni Ma'am Ani. Sige po, Ma'am.
Pinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, pag-ibig na ating sinayang. Pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Nalimutan kahit
Queen
nahihirapan
Kali. Mega shoutout po.
para sa sariling kapakanan. Nalimutan kahit nahihirapan. Mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Inutag ko, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa.
Sir DIY Tolit. Mega shoutout.
Hi po sa'yo, Sir DIY Tulits.
Ma'am Judy
Kumusta
Tanaka.
po?
Mega shoutout.
Yo, no?
Yun, thank you
Yes.
so much.
Imahe.
Yes,
Nakanta
yes,
na
yes.
rin yan.
Sir Jembuilders. Diyan na.
Tsaka
Makiat.
si Sir DIY. Tingnan mo si Ilmer, ba't siya nag...
Junior Bean,
Hindi, kaliwat kanan
Yes,
daw eh.
kapalit.
thank you sa
Kanan niya
pag-akyat.
lang.
No problem, kapalit.
Parking boy. Napagkamalan.
Napagkamalan.
Napagkamalan ka, Tol.
Hi po, Ma'am Maria.
Salamat po sa mga pumunta.
Sir Jembuilders in the house, guys.
Jembuilders!
The youth, the first Grand
Gusto niyo
LS.
alisin ko yung sombrero ko?
Pwede.
Sige nga!
Hindi, kasi parang
Since first, di ba?
kamukha niya si ano eh, si Darak. Darak na...
Ano, darak yung pagkain
Sige
ng
nga po.
baboy? Darak.
Si Darak, ano nga pangalan ng artist na yan?
Kapag sa birthday ko kasi ano.
Yun!
Ayun! Di ba? Parang siya.
Parang si Darak ah.
Ano yun, darak ng mais o darak ng bigas?
Hindi, sir, basta Darak.
The guys,
Yan,
Jembuilders in the house.
Sabi
Yan.
ni Ma'am Golden Heart, sir. Congratulations.
Junior Bean, dalawa na tayong pogi.
Ayan. Si Sir Jembuilders, officially YouTuber na din.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Babae dito kaya ayaw kong pumaba. Kahit kababae mo, babalik ako
Huwag kang bababa.
Gaganda eh.
Magaganda yung mga kumakanta, no? Kaya parehang tingin mo.
Kaya naduduling ako sabi ko.
O yung mga nagre-request pa.
Opo, meron
Okay
pa.
lang.
Dami.
Si Annie nagre-request ng ano, Just Once. Si Just Once. At saka, binaliwala.
Isasara ko na lang yung
Sabi ni,
ano ko, cam ko kasi nasasapawan ako ni Junior Bean eh. Okay na yan, Junior Bean. Sa iyo ang floor.
di bali sino, basta hataw. O yun.
Yan.
Ayos.
Gwapo daw si Jembuilders. Ang gwapo.
Saan banda?
Sa banda.
Oo, si...
O, Dwayne
Magkanta ka.
Johnson pala.
Junior
Ayun,
Bean.
si Dwayne Johnson. The Rock.
Parang nga ikaw, Sir.
Junior Bean, magkanta ka?
Sabi ni Kid.
May
Di ba?
Sabi ni Kid Blaster. Shout out, Boss Jembuilders.
Ayun. Alright, guys.
Ito may request.
Alright.
Nothing gonna stop us now.
Sir DIY Tolit. Giniginaw ka ba, sir? Ay, nako.
Pa-jacket mo kay DIY Tulits.
Okay.
Seed of paradise, this world that I found, it's too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you. It's love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy. Don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back.
together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
All Delicious, make a shout out.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I'll stay here with you. Take it to the good time, see it through the bad time. Whatever it takes, it's what I'm gonna do.
Liquor Ritual, shout out.
Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't never let go. Little world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're hard to hold. And we can build this thing together,
Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
and if this
World is out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
nothing's gonna stop us.
Thank you, one lane. Mamaya, mamaya.
All I need is you.
All that I ever need, another one to do. 'Cause hold you forever, ever and ever.
Ayun, Raxa TV, make a shout out. Tumumleka Rachel and Katasa na home first. Make a shout out po. Let's enjoy the rest of the day together with Sir Jembuilders and the Accents Band.
And we can
Build this trip together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world is out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
nothing's gonna stop
We
us.
can build this trip together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world is out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Yes, Wish 101 Dalmatian.
Alright,
Yung
that was
gata
your
sa
requested
tahong,
song.
burn
May
lang ko
nag-request
sa'yo.
kung maibabalik ko lang. Mix na lang natin yan sa medley natin.
Maibabalik mo.
Yan.
Yes, ah.
Kumanta na si ano. Kung maibabalik ko lang. Try natin to.
Yes,
ano.
Doms. Let's morning the night. Yeah, so do you want to request this song? Gonna do a different, that's our own version.
A remix version.
Mom, baby ko, make a shout out po.
Yeah.
All those sleepless nights, all the tears I cried, all the pain I kept inside. I kept asking myself why you had to say goodbye. Sayang lang mga sandaling pinalipas ko. Naroon ka na, bakit ka humanap ng iba? Even if you mean the whole damn world to me, I can't forget you
Nasa sa inyo na kung ano yung pipili.
Thank you. Ayun, basta
Ayun.
sinagot na yun namin yung request nila.
Yes.
Yes, Ma'am Judy Tanaka. Ano po request niyo po, Ma'am Judy? One Link TV.
Ayos one link, ayos one link.
Parang na-shock man ako, One Link. Oy.
Na-shock din nga ako eh.
Pwede
Na-shock
yung
man ako.
request.
Sige po, sir.
Don't dream it over.
Alright.
Don't dream, don't dream.
Don't dream is over.
Thank you.
Yun. Ready something from Crowded House.
Mega shoutout, Judy Tanaka. I love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Mama Chup Chup.
Ayos, ayos. Mag-shoutout ka mo, Ken.
Mega shoutout po, Elkie Lascano, Emelda Nakamura, Kenneth Nolasco, Baby Ko, Elsie Marjan, Robin Gomez, Dom Stevie, Maana Cecilia, and Kenneth Nolasco. And special mention, Jenorbin TV po.
Yun.
Yun, no?
Ayos. pwede na.
Pwede na.
Maglalapag
Pwede na.
ng bahay si Jenorbin TV.
Yun, pwede na maging host.
Dakal pong salamat, kuya.
Ito, One Link ko.
Yan po. Yan pong Jenorbin TV. Yan po.
Uy, anong nangyari sa inyo dyan?
Nag-request ng Better Days.
Talaga si Loristela para tinawag.
Alright, here's a requested song.
Freedom within, give us freedom without. Try to catch the tellers in a paper car. There's a battle ahead, many battles are lost, but you never you see in the road while you're traveling with me. Hey now, don't sleep, it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come, to build a wall between us. We know they won't break. Now I'm sewing my car. There's a hole in the roof. My position's are causing me suspicious, but there's and the papers today to the war on the ways, but you turn right over to the daily page. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world comes in, they come, to build a wall between us. We know they won't break.
Ikaw at ako, sige po. At saka The Flame, my mom, baby ko. Ayun o, may palipad. $500. Mom, baby ko talaga.
Sir, may super chat sa'yo, sir. $500.
Lightning MC. Mega shoutout.
Thank you.
Now I'm walking again to the beat of a drum, and I'm counting the steps to the door of your heart. Only shadows ahead, barely clearing the roof. Get to know the feeling of liberation and relief. Hey now, You put a wall between us. We know they won't play.
500 pounds.
Wow! Talaga dong sa... May papaya na sa sisi. Don't sleep is over. Hey now, when the world comes in. Put a wall between us. We know they won't play.
Alright, thank you so much for requesting that song, Sam.
Yeah, thank you so much po.
Yeah!
Yan.
Ulan nga, Sam. Ayun, no?
Wow, daming palipad ah.
Sa mga nagpalipad dyan, $500.
10,000, maybe.
Night slowly closes in, and I feel so lonely.
Erne Barrera,
Touching
nag-shoutout po,
heat
sir.
freezing on my skin. I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm way too deep. Over you, I can't believe you're gone. You were the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you.
Ellen Mata, sir. Nag-shoutout po.
Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head upon, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame.
MJ Bulawan Vlogs, mega shoutout po. Romeo Colo, mega shoutout.
Watching shadows move across the wall, I feel so frightened. I wanna run to you, I want to call, but I've been hit by lightning. Just can't stand up, we're falling apart. Can't see through this veil across my heart. Over you, you'll always be the one. You are the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart and head upon, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm way too deep. Over you, you'll always be the one. You were the first to be the last.
Obrigado gozaimasu.
Mary Christina Hahn.
Winter city side, crystal bits of snowflakes all around my head and in the wind.
Jembuilders, thank you.
I had no illusions that I'd never find a glimpse of summer headways in your eyes. You did what you did to me. Now it's history I see. Here's my comeback on the road again. Things will happen while they can. I will wait here for my man tonight. It's easy when you're big in Japan. Oh, big in Japan. Tonight, big in Japan. Big tight, big in Japan. Ooh, the eastern sea's so blue. Oh, big in Japan. Alright, baby, I sit by your side. Things are easy when you're big in Japan. Oh, big in Japan.
To Ernie Barrera, hi po sa inyo. Sir Aguila. NB Solo.
And the solo in the house, rock and roll.
Sir Aguila, like a shout out. Neon on my naked
Order
skin,
ka na, mga
passing
puto.
silhouettes of strange illuminated mannequins. Shall I stay here at the zoo? Should I go and change my point of view for other ugly scenes? You did what you did to me. Now it's history I see. Things will happen while they can. I will wait here for my man tonight. It's easy when you're big in Japan.
Yes.
Oh, big in Japan. Tonight, big in Japan. Big tight, big in Japan. Oh, the eastern sea's so blue. Oh, big in Japan. Alright, baby, nice live by your side. Things are easy when you're big in Japan. Oh, big in Japan. Tonight, big in Japan. Big tight, big in Japan. Ooh, the eastern sea's so blue. Oh, big in Japan. Alright, baby, nice live by your side. Things are easy when you're big in Japan. Oh, big in Japan.
Hi po sa iyo, Romeo Polo. Polo. Yes, girl, thank you so
Okay.
much.
Coconut Man, Moonhead.
To Baby Cool.
Everybody, you ready? Seems like everybody's got a pride. I wonder how this different
Okay po, Sir Jembuilders.
when the sale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. You got your strength on your eyes and your heels so hard that you can't even have a good time. Everybody looks to the left.
To the left.
Everybody looks to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah. Baby, that will hurt tonight. Come on. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about a cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about a but bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Okay, we need to take it back in time when music made us all unite, and it wasn't low blows and video hoes. I'm not the only one getting tired. Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and enjoy right now? Guarantee we'll be feeling alright. Everybody look to the left. To the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're playing our love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about a cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about a but bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about price tag. Yeah, get the price tag and take the cash back. Just give me 6 strings and a half set. And you can give the cost in my big garage. And all out, yes, all I need are keys and guitars. And guess what? In 30 seconds, I'm leaving to Mars. It's really been a cross, it's into for double hearts. It's like this. Many can't put a price on the life. We do this for the love, so we gotta sacrifice every night. So rain doesn't fall on for never. Waiting to see us a son of a defeat. So we can keep everyone moving their feet. So bring back the beat and everybody sing. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about a to sing, ain't about a yeah. But bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag.
Check this out.
Yes, yeah, thank you so much. Sayawan ako. Sino po gusto sumayaw dyan? Akat na po kayo. Ma'am Golden Heart, Ma'am Jenny, akat po kayo dyan, Ma'am Jenny.
Last night I dreamed of San Pedro, just like I never gonna knew the song. Younger with eyes like a desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical breeze, all of nature water. This is where I long to be. Life's La Bonita. When the samba played, the sun was set so high through my ears and sting my eyes.
Ma'am
Your
Signorita,
Spanish
asan ka na?
lullaby. I fell in love with San Pedro. Warm wind carrying on the sea, he called to me. Dijo te amo. I pray that the days will last, they went so fast. Tropical breeze, all of nature wild green. This is where I long to be. Life's a bonita. And when the summer played, the sun was set so high through my ears and sting my eyes. Your Spanish lullaby.
Ma'am Mary Christina Soquelata, mega shout out.
I want to be where the sun warms the sky. When it's time for siesta, you can watch them go by. Beautiful faces, no cares in this world. When a girl loves a boy and a boy loves a girl.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Ala, vale na.
Sayaw po kayo, sayaw. Mixily, akat po kayo.
Got a secret, I cannot keep it.
Come on.
It's just whisper over this and everything. Just a dream, or so it seems. Take me back to the place I'd rather be.
Come on.
You lit the fire in my eyes, to lighten up the darkest skies. I'm giving up, I'm letting go. I find my way, so take me back to my sweet La Vida. Find my love, my dolce vida. Show me where I need to go. ¿Dónde está mi chico latino? So one moment, time has broken. My eyes are open to this lifelong mystery. And so I'll go with what I know. Take my chances and run with destiny. But there's a fire in my eyes. I'll break away and say goodbye. I'm free to be, I'm letting go. I'll find my way. So take me back to my sweet La Vida. Find my love, my torch.
¿dónde está mi chico latino? Where is the love? One lick. Where is the love?
Hey, bala, bala. Hey, 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 hey.
Come on guys, akyat na po kayo.
Siento algo que me mueve, un ritmo que me hace bailar, tomen todo sobre ella, todos vamos a danzar, bailar, baila esa cumbia, mueve,
Yes,
mueve la
sir.
cintura, todos,
Baby
las
cool.
manos en alto y griten,
Akyat na po
griten con
kayo.
locura. Hey, 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 hey. Eso. Baila, baila esa cumbia, un ritmo, ritmo sin igual, dale. Si quieres intentarlo todos, vamos a bailar. Oh, nací Coco Martín. Siento algo que mueve, un ritmo que me hace bailar. Tomen todos sobre ellos, todos vamos a danzar, bailar, baila esa cumbia, mueve, mueve la cintura, todos, las
Akyat na
manos
po,
en alto y
baby ko.
griten,
Sige na
griten
po.
con locura. Hey, 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 hey.
Mami Milda ng
Baila, baila esa cumbia, un ritmo, ritmo sin igual, dale. Si quieres intentarlo todos, vamos a bailar.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Here we go, getting smooth to the groove, showing lovely ladies how I do as I move. That's what they say, but I can't prove. So turn it up again, watch me move to the groove. As we get close, you whisper Coco, I hold you in my arms, and you say Jumbo. Scream and shout, turn it to Colombo. Now I gotta go, yo Coco. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy.
Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ayo.
Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
Mom Jenny in the house!
Yeah, yeah, Coco Jumbo, yeah,
Ayan,
yeah,
Ma'am
yeah.
Jenny.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Ayan na
Coco
yung dancer
Jumbo, yeah,
namin.
yeah, yeah.
Ayo. Mom Jenny.
Yun, no?
Yeah, come on, Ma'am Jenny.
Hey, 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 hey. That's the way to the girls gotta smooth. Cause there's one man and yo, that's me. So let me share around, wanna see if you're teaching. But no cuckoo look boom while I take my peep. When I hold a baby, just had to announce her. I like a chicken with rice and lemonade. And that's what she got. One shot of Jumbo, now I gotta go. Yo, Coco, put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy.
Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 Coco Jumbo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Rockabye!
Ma'am Irene, nandito sila nila. Lipat po tayo sa kabila. Nandito po si Ma'am Jenny. Sumayaw.
Call it love and devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation. A special bond of creation.
By the water, she's got a street so far away comes alive. For her baby, all on her own, no one will know. She's gotta save it. She says, and ooh love, no one ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She says, hey, your life ain't got nothing like my life. You're gonna go and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I've got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye.
Check this
I'm
out, come
gonna
on.
rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye, no, no, rock-a-bye.
Single mama, you're doing out there, practicing the art life without the fear. Just so you know that you really care, cause any obstacle come you will prepare. And no mama, you never shed tears, cause you have to shed things year after year. And give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and there was fair. Narrative comes up here, in around back, I'll find you nowhere. Suddenly you work for everything you know, so you not stop the time for your cheer.
No, she gonna stick your room, try to keep him warm, try to keep out the cold. When I look at her eyes, he don't know what he's saying when she says, ooh love, no one ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye.
Come on, Jimmy in the house.
Rock-a-bye, don't wanna cry. Lift up your head, let me talk to the sky, yo. Rock-a-bye, don't wanna cry. Angels around you, just dry your eyes.
O para sa mga Bisaya diha.
Cebuana.
Yo, drop the glasses and shake it ass. You don't wanna get with you, wanna
Yeah, come on, everyone.
Yo, baby, Filipino cities out.
Galaw-galaw naman.
She did it like golden, no. No one can do it better than that. Listen to me, baby, like it, show me like that.
Yeah, come on,
Come
Jenny.
on, let me sit through my back. Gonna be my fat Joe, wanna sit and lean. Gotta sit down, nice to meet ya. It could be your mama, sit down by the river. With a big come on, with a bomb, as a taste bar, if you don't fucking let's get it on. You really need a sip on I'm more than a summertime lover. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Riha, baby, you really need a sip on You really need a sip on You really need a sip on Cebuana padala.
Tapos na ako nagpadala.
Bayad ang utang.
Angelo de la Cruz, mega shout out. It's been Nathan, shout out.
Dili ka diriba, dito taho na. Alina ay susturya ka puya, suda na huba. Delikado ang pinindado, buta na gita na utaho. Ikuman mo ka uno galuhalo. Ay ula ka, lasa lang ka. Ayaw lagi ko gati ka, di ko marasa. Imong tama, ano na alis tuloy sa ata. Ayaw pagdali-dali, kita sa mga sala. Panapanig ang bubisita na tasisimala. Nganong ka sila paduwaan pa. Nahon ko sa sinulog na nahulog na pa.
Alright, party people in the house now.
Yeah, come on everyone, come on, come on. Galaw-galaw naman siya. Galaw-galaw.
Hey, hey, hey,
Oh, akyat na sa gustong sumayaw.
let me go. This hurts, I tell you so. For the last time you will kiss my lips, so shut up and let me go. Your jeans were once so clean, I bet you changed your wardrobe since you met. Now oh so easily you're over me, gone it's love to the out to be holding me. You're not containable. This turns up, it's not sustainable. I am pretty, I'm freshness. I am pretty, I'm freshness.
Yes, mommy,
I'm freshness. Shut up and let me go.
Parking boy. Yeah, Ma'am Jenny.
Shut up and let me go. This hurts what I can show.
What
For the
about
next
TV?
of you of me and this, so shut up and let me go. For fear of living in regret, I've changed since from when we first met. Now oh so easily you're over me, gone. It's love, it's me that owes to be holding me. You're not adorable. I want something unadorable. I am breaking, I am precious. I am breaking, I am precious. I am breaking, I am precious. Shut up and let me go. Hey!
Oh, yun. Ayan, si Dom TV.
Oh, love.
Sayaw ka dyan, Dom TV.
Everybody.
Alo, anong klaseng sayaw yan, Dom TV?
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey. Oh, hey, hey, hey. If you can't hear what I'm trying to say, if you can't breathe from the same place, maybe I'm going
Hey, hey, hey.
maybe I'm going
Hey, hey, hey.
maybe I'm out of my mind. Okay, now he was close, tried to domesticate you, but you're an animal. Baby, it's in your nature. Just let me liberate
Hey, hey, hey.
you. You don't need no
Hey,
papers.
hey, hey.
That man is not your maker, and that's why I'm gonna take a good girl. I know you want it. I know you want it.
Come on, Ma'am Jenny, you know you want it.
But you're a good girl. Can I get past me?
Sexy dance naman yan, Dom TV.
Dom Steve, come on. It's your turn.
Come on. I know you want it.
Mama Melda, akit ka po, Mama Melda.
I know you want
But
it.
you're a
Good girl. The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get at me. What do baby dreams for when you got them jeans on? You know where I came from. You're the hottest bitch in this place. I feel so lucky.
Hey, hey, hey.
You wanna hug me?
Hey, hey, hey.
Well, I'm gonna hug me, baby. And that's why I'm gonna take a good girl. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it, but you're a good girl. And let it get past me. You're far from plastic. Talk about your blast. I hate his blood.
Mainit ka dito, Mama Melda. Sayaw
I
sa.
know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it.
But you're a
Good girl. Then let it get past me. You're far from plastic. Talk about your blast. I hate his blood. Come. I know you want it. I know you want it, baby. I know you want it.
But you're a
good girl. The way you grab me, must wanna get nasty. Go ahead, get at me. Now, one thing I ask you, let me be the one to pay that ass to you. From Malibu to Caribou, you had a big machine daddy. So hit me up when you pass through. I'll give you something big enough to stick your ass to. Swagging it when you dress casual. I mean, it's almost unbearable. In 100 years, not there with I put a farce like you pay me for. Never like Larry, I swear for you. I just pull your hair like that. So walk the trail, boy. And wait for you to lose, but you didn't pick. Not many women,
Boy,
but you
Stevie.
did. Yeah, but I'm a nice guy. Come on, everybody. No shake the body.
DIY Tools in the house.
Oh, hi, Sir
Get
DIY
on top.
Tools.
Hey.
Do it like it hurt.
like it hurt.
What you like hurt. Hey, 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 yeah.
Alright, come on,
As requested.
GRMT House. Ito na po, request niyo po. Come on, everyone. Galaw-galaw naman kayo dyan.
Yeah. Spy on you, baby. You said
Alright, Mom Jenny, come on.
Get ready to see you move to the right.
Baby ko, sige na,
I'm
baby
gonna
ko.
fire, shoot me right.
Ow!
I'm gonna like the way you fight.
Like the way you fight.
You found say how good are you?
Sige mo
Wash
to.
away my lonely blue.
May bagong dancer na si Jembuilders.
Deny a lie
Lumipat na.
that you- The only
Laro
ones who
time.
make
Hi
me
po sa inyo,
fly. You know what you want? Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need you. Come along. Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb. And
Wow,
baby, you can
$200.
turn me
Ah,
on.
baby ko.
Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna do you harm. This bomb loaded, you can shoot this bomb. I'm your monitor, get down,
tell
my
me,
help
Bob.
me ignite. Looks like you hold it tight.
Holding it tight, darling.
Makes me blow the throw, you know. The roads you know, sex me slow. I guess I must react to play no toe. You say you're not, and that's all that. Oh yeah, come on. Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb. You can give it to me when I need you. Come along. Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me on. One more time. Sex bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb.
Ayun, Sir Pipito.
You can give it to me when I need you. Come
Late na
along.
na, Sir
Sex
Pipito.
bomb, sex bomb. You're my sex bomb. And baby, you can turn me
Punta ka
on.
po sa bahay ni Sir Jembuilders.
Give me, boom, count to my score. You can turn it upside down and inside out. You can make me feel the real thing. And I can give it to you anytime you start your fight.
Thank you. Rock and roll.
Sa lahat ng mga may hot legs dyan.
Mark
Come on.
Green to sit tight po sa'yo, Sir Pipito. Akyat ka na, bilis. Woo! Andito si Ma'am Jenny, Sir Pipito.
Nasa kabila din. Nasa kay Sir Jembuilders. Biyaherong Bisdak TV. Mayong adlaw mo riya. Who's that knocking on my door? It's gotta be a 3:45. Is it you again? Coming round for more. Oh yeah, baby. Woo!
Hot legs, hot legs.
Well, you can love me tonight if you want. But in the morning, make sure you're right.
Ma'am Jenny, hot legs.
Hot legs, you're wearing me out. Hot legs. Ow. Hot legs, bring your mother too.
Yan, hot na legs.
You gotta focus
Yan.
ways.
Hot legs.
You promise all kinds of fun, but what you don't understand, I'm a working man.
Okay, sir, for a one, sir,
We're gonna need a shot of vitamin E. By the time you're finished with me, now I'm talking to you. Hot legs, you're an alley cat. Hot legs, you can scratch my back.
Akyat ka, Mary Christina.
Hot legs, bring your mother too.
Salamat po sa Ma'am
I love you,
Jenny.
hot legs.
What?
Nahuli si Ma'am Agatha. Si Juan lang, oh.
Para sa lahat ng mga hindi na virgin! Alright, ha? Maraming salamat, Micaela. MJ.
Akyat ka, Mary Christina. Hi,
Christopher, welcome back, my friend! How are you, Christopher? Our French right friend. Incomplete.
I've been had. I was sad and blue, but you made me feel.
Come on!
Yeah, you made me feel shiny and new.
One, two, three!
Virgin.
Hindi na virgin.
That's for the very first time. Think I'm virgin. When your heart beat next to mine, gonna give you all. Hi, Christoph.
Welcome back.
My fear is fading fast. dyan.
Hindi, nasa ka Jembuilders na bahay. Lipat kayo sa bahay.
Wow, can laugh.
Wow, mga baby ko, salamat po. You're so fine.
And you're mine.
And you're mine.
Make me strong. Yeah, you make me bold. Oh, you laugh that out. Yeah, you laugh that out.
Mary Christina, punta ka muna sa bahay ko, Sir Jembuilders.
1, 2, 3. Never change. That's for the very
Hi,
first
Chick Chick
time.
Wada.
Like a virgin. When your heart beats.
Bakit, Sir? Hindi ba na nangyari sa'yo?
Oh, oh, oh.
Ah, okay po, sabi dito.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Sa lahat ng mga materialistic dyan.
Ayan po, dito po sa
Here's
kabila
some
po.
Madonna.
May dancer kami sa kabila.
Flower Rose!
Hi, Ma'am Flower Rose.
Baby ko, thank you so much.
Ayan, wala damit si Ma'am Chick Chick Wada.
Some boys kiss me, some boys hug
Akyat
me.
ka, Ma'am Chick Chick Wada.
They're okay.
Okay.
If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can make and they complete, but they can't see the light.
That's right.
Cause love and a cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we're living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
I love.
Sir DIY Tolix.
Some boys romance, some boys slow down. That's alright with me. If they can't erase my
Hagdan daw.
interest,
Hagdan
then
daw.
I have to let them be.
TikTok nasa taas.
Some boys try and some boys lie, but I don't let them play.
No way.
Only boys who save their pennies make my rainy day. 'Cause we're living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
Shout out Flower Rose.
Ayan, si Mary Christina. Golden Heart of London. Hi sa'yo, Ma'am Baby.
Dom TV. Mega
Akyat ka
shout
po,
out.
Ma'am Golden Heart.
In a material world, living in a material world.
Come on.
Living in a material world. Living in a material world. Boys may come and boys may go, and that's alright to say. Experience has made me rich, and now they're after me. 'Cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that
Ayan,
we
oh,
are
ang dami
living
sumayaw
in
na.
a material world, and I am a material girl.
Sige po, it's the Nathan.
Living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we
All right. Old it but good it. Come on, everybody.
Yes!
Ilang
The
calories
fame!
na ba? Ilang calories na? Yung nabawas.
Wow.
baby at me.
And tell me what you see. You and send the best to me. Yeah. Give me time, I'll make you forget the rest. I got more.
Reminder on na po, Nathan.
And you can set it free. I can touch the mood in my head. Don't you know who I am? Remember my name.
Babe, I'm gonna live forever.
me all the time. Too much is not enough. I can ride your heart till it breaks. Look at what it takes. Remember my name, babe. I'm gonna live forever.
Thank you.
I'm gonna learn how to
Baby Cool!
I'm feeling dark
Yan!
together.
Golden of Hearts!
Baby, remember my, remember,
Big up Hearts! Shalalala!
Everybody come on. Make some noise to the mango boys.
Come on, baby cool.
Babes ko too!
Thank you.
Oh, chop, chop, chop,
Sa lahat
chop,
ng
chop,
umakyat.
Si Pipito na lang ang kulang.
Oo nga.
Oh,
Akyat, Sir Pepe.
Pipito.
1, 2, 3, come.
There's a boy in my mind and he knows I'm thinking of him. On my way to the day and the night, he's so above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know it's really love. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he's here.
Say what?
Going sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, just for you.
How are you, Christmas to y'all? Make some noise.
Make some noise with the finger boys!
Love's gone away just like wine. You feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together.
Sayaw na, babe. Sayaw.
Some today no one knows, so it's a new be happy. Shout out sweet and a song. Listen to your heart and it's
Oh, baby, come. Make a shout out. Thank you so much.
Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, everybody. Sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, just for you.
Funky town, oh.
Ma'am Alma, di na makasayaw si Sir Pepito. Nandito sa kabila po. Yeah, my baby
Trying to
cool.
keep me moving, keep me grooving with some energy. Well, come on. Well, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it.
Ang ganda ni Babes ko too!
Talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, move it. Woo!
Senyorita Agata!
Gotta move on. Ayan, zumba,
Pink
zumba,
Toros,
zumba.
make a shout.
Gotta move on.
It's Zumba time!
Tupi, tibi.
Gotta move on. Gotta move on.
Won't you take me to funky town? Won't you take me to funky town? Won't you take me to funky town? Won't you take me to funky town?
Si Pepito. Si Pepito. Hinahanap ka dito sa kabila si Pepito. Ikaw na lang daw ang cool. Ma'am GRMT House. Akit ka po, Ma'am GRMT. Yeah.
Ulala! 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 Yan! Sige! Stepping pa! Stepping!
Gora.
Go, Ma'am Senyorita! Go, Ma'am Senyorita! Ma'am babe ko to!
Lambada, come on!
Alright!
Wind it! Ikiling ang kasukasuhay. Come on! Para hindi kalangawin. Kalawangin. Kalangawin daw. Woo!
Som är besvärad. Solen besipar, diam dia som är besvärad. Solen besvärad,
Sige po, Envy.
diam dia na sover kerai. Solen besvärad, albrati ano, diam dia na sover kerai. Hari kasa, paisa kumera ambifu. Vai estar pra sempre amor. Nazario mo, colorino la, o amor faz perder de cuenta. La marisari, arriba que somos, por un día bastante Divina open Tuhan ko sa'yo, ma'am. Ay! Oo, nawala si Kasangkay at saka si Senyorita. Yes, Ma'am Chick, wala, akyat ka po. Arigaras at comela before. Arigaras at para sempre before. Suran na sara, alibrati mo, diyang diyan na sobekera. Cansare sotto melodia d'amore, un momento che fica
Ang ganda ng smile, Ma'am Babe, oh.
Chili cha-cha daw. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for one love, Ethel and Lumipo.
Alright.
Alright guys, gotta be a K-pop.
Opang Gangnam Style.
Alam ka mula, wey, magkanhayahanan ko. Alam ka mula, wey, magkanhayahanan ko. Alam ka mula, nali, what's the pilot,
Yes,
hey?
akyat
Alam
na
ka
po
mula,
kayo.
when it feeling feel like party, hey, it's China Maria. 이 사람 모험 마순두리 장면 Maria. 여기 되게
Mama Flower
Maria. 누가 듣고픈 말하고 pun제 난데 Maria. Damn girl, you're so freaking sexy.
Yeah.
Opang Gangnam Style. Opang Gangnam Style. Opang Gangnam Style.
Alam ka mo na, wey, magkanhayahanan ko. Alam ka mo na, wey, secondhayahanan ko. Alam ka mo na, nali, what's the holiday? Alam ka mo na, we like party, hey, it's China Maria. No, mori, huri, dari, chongari, Maria. Feeling good, putrup kaya, Maria. 아주 그냥 큰 소리 나게, Maria. Damn girl, I'm a party mafia.
Ma'am Babe ko to. Hi po sa'yo.
Alright, bodos time.
Yeah, saya po kayo, Ma'am Divina open to. Akyat ka po.
Let me tell you all the story about a mouse named Delores.
Oo, ang dami-dami
Delores was a
dancer.
mouse in a big brown house. chose away.
Akyat ka naman, makulit ako.
Then Laura said she was a
Oh,
mouse,
aha.
but the cheese and like a mouse.
Ayan!
Wow, si Ma'am Flower Rose, oh.
Then Laura was a witch. Yes, Nicky Lil. So that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Showdown! Showdown! Showdown!
Oo,
Ang
gorgeous
showdown
mo rin
na.
ha, baby ko.
I'm an albatross. Come on.
Ma'am
Yes,
Jenny!
join me, Lily Alon. Hi po sa'yo.
One, two,
Okay.
It's beating out the word, nothing into a mumble. The scene starts to crumble to the
Yeah.
sound of the drums. So boy, there ain't no need to bother diamond ring. It ain't
Sige,
no
bira na!
thing to show
One,
a
two,
little
three.
swing. Alright, come on. Operation Shannon.
Sir DIY
Michaela, come on, let's dance.
Mami Tilda, Nakamura, akyat ka po, ma'am.
No care about
Tigang.
the road, there
Wala
ain't
si Tigang
nothing to
din.
do. Oh man, soon it's over and you sing the walking blues. So boy, there ain't no need to bother diamond ring. It ain't no big thing, just show a little swing.
Birada na. Order na kayo dyan.
Let's swing, come on.
Yes. Micaela, MJ.
Yeah.
Salamat po, Sir DIY Tools.
Yeah!
Lobat.
Relax!
Lobat.
Thank you!
Tubig muna.
Tubig, tubig.
Big, hangak ka, hangak.
Touch
Galing
by
mo, ma'am.
touch.
Red horse.
Tay, liguna na
Galing talaga ni Senyorita, no?
Opo. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh. Sir, oh.
Tsaka si, ano,
Oha, ohe, oho. Bawis ako, grabe. Ay, sus.
Tubig muna, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ay. Ayan, ilang kilo na nabawas.
Ayan, G. Malininsagan, hi po sa inyo.
Oh, biruin mo yun, ma'am. Kaya nga blooming ka palagi, ma'am Jenny, no? Kailangan talaga ibawas yung yung mga calories at mga dumi sa katawan. Para
Tingnan mo,
maging
oh.
blooming, oh.
Pawis na pawis si Ma'am
Alright.
Jenny.
Ganyan dapat, oh.
Micaela, you're welcome, Micaela.
Flower Rose.
Si Flower Rose.
Oo,
Si Mga Flower Rose,
Galing
ang
din.
hinin. Ang ganda. Ayun, no?
Ay,
Yeah.
ganda naman. Wow. Galing.
Oh, ang kamil.
Hi, Doms.
Naunsa mo na si Doms?
Masa na si
Tubig
Dom?
muna, sige. Grabe to.
Yan,
Bawas
tagay mo
bawas
na.
calories, bawas
Tagay
calories.
mo na, tagay. Doms, TV, pasend naman tubig dyan.
Galing
Huwag
sumayaw
kang
ni Doms, oh.
mag-request dyan.
Pang ano to si
Huwag ka na
Jom,
mag-request.
si Doms pang ano to, pang minibar.
Pa-order ng beer dyan.
Galing sumayaw ni Doms.
Tubig, tubig. Napagod si Doms. Oh, napagod sa kasasayaw. Sayaw niya, pang ano naman yon, pang burles. Oo.
Tayo, milo muna.
Ayun. Ano tayo, doon tayo sa request ni Sir Jembuilders na
Inom pa daw ng tubig si Elmer.
At saka, just one.
Pahinga naman, pahinga.
Opo, ayun.
Yes.
Irene, hi po sa inyo. Mitsili. NV Solo, shout out. Oh, sabi ni Ma'am Chik Wada, si Chik Wada, di umakyat. Akyat ka po.
Sabi ni Di Tulits, congrats! Successful live mo, boss, Jembuilders.
Thank you, DIY.
Just once. Kuan. Just once na.
Paris 777. Daming 7. 77 pala.
Chik wada akyat ka na.
Ayun, akyat ka daw, Ma'am Chik Wada. Ang dami, ang daming angel ni Sir Jim. Wow.
Daming angel, no?
Puro magaganda.
Oo naman.
Pati si MJ, nakikita ko ng maganda eh.
Sir, nagjo-joke ka ba?
Sir, ako, sir.
Ah, si Elmer.
Wala.
Si Elmer, acting yan.
Ala. Okay,
Nalaglag? Sino nalaglag, Sir Pipito?
Si Ma'am Marian.
Nainom ka muna tubig, Mary Christina.
Yes.
Maya-maya, sasayaw naman tayo ulit. Kasi aakyat na naman sila Chikwada, may papalit.
May papalit.
Oo. At saka si Ma'am Lady Boss, aakyat din yan.
Ang galing sumayaw eh, no?
Kaya nga, sir.
Star dancer.
Daming mga ni Sir Jim. Dancer, mga angels.
Talo mo pala ako, sir. Dami mo. Dami mo palang angel.
Okay. Yung sinabi ko ng akin ka lang, Elmer, joke lang yon.
Pati ako, nasali ko. Nasali kong angel. Okay, requested song.
Hi, Jilan TV and Marby Mendez. Gina Abayon, mega shoutout. Maraming salamat sa patamsak. And request lang ng kanta, guys.
I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are, back where we were before. Since none else changes, we're back to being strangers, wondering if we all stay or head all out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we give to we wrong? Why will never last for very long? What we do wrong? Just once, can you find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get through it, I know we could break through it. I give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing. Whatever we got doing, it seems the times with all we got, we haven't got a break. Just once, can we figure out what we give to we wrong? Why the good times never last for
Thank you, stranger.
long?
OFW love.
What we were doing wrong. Just once, can you find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it.
Malangga ko, may kasara.
If we could just get through it, just once. I want to understand
Tagay ka dyan, ha?
why it always
Wow.
comes back to
Tequila,
goodbye.
tequila.
Why can we get upset here? Enemy to one another. We no good without each other. Take the best to make it better. Find a way to stay together.
Wow!
Just once, can you find a way to finally make it right?
Nagpuhito
more than just one night. I knew we could return
Tagay pa, tagay.
if we could just get through it, just one. Whoa, we can get through it, just one.
Alright, that was a requested song.
Sana yun si
This
Koda
summer we would like to...
nagpa-accept
Yes.
ako.
Yan, shout out muna tayo guys. Shout out nga po pala kay Ma'am Divina Olpindo. Ayun, mega shout out. Norm's Old Kid. Kakanta daw si Pere. Si Pere, Ma'am Pere. Yan, no? Nagtatagay-tagay ka
kakanta,
dyan.
oy.
Kondisyon daw.
Tagay lang ako. Tapos sayaw.
Tagay. Yes, and to Angelo de la Cruz, hi po sa'yo. Good morning po. Good morning.
And once again to our French friend, Crest
To
of
our
Vial.
French fries friends.
Yes. How are you guys? Where's Nina? That was Nina, right? Nina? I forgot. But sorry, yeah, welcome back once again, Christoph.
Yes.
It's great to see you
So,
again.
talaga si Doms TV, ayaw niya talagang pakawalan si ikaw at ako. Sige, Doms TV, hintay ka lang ha. Ito muna, yung request ni Sir Jim.
Sir, yes.
I can't stand to fly. I'm not that night. I'm just out to find the
Si Jilan
better
TV,
part
oh.
of me.
Nag-invite sa
I'm more than a bird. I'm more than a plane.
Yes, Munia.
More than
Munia,
some
gusto.
pretty face beside a tree.
Ma'am Chick Chick,
It's
what
not
Hi, Ma'am
easy
Chick Chick.
to be me.
Hello, Kiri. Ano palangga?
Wish
Mega
that
shout out.
I could cry, fall upon my knees,
Daming girls ni Jembuilders.
find a way to lie about a whole
Ayun na si Superman!
world never seen.
Diyan na si Superman, dumating.
Amazed I've absurd,
Jembuilders,
but
thank you.
don't be gone.
Hello.
Even heroes have the right to play. I may be disturbed, but won't you concede? Even heroes have the right to dream. It's not easy to be me. I'm walking away, away from me, but it's alright. You can all sleep sound tonight. I'm not crazy or anything. I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. Memory means to ride with clouds between their knees. I'm only a man, I sail a red sheet, taking for kryptonite of his one-way stream. Only a man, a funny red sheet, looking for special things inside of me, inside of me, inside of me,
ALPHA Romeo in the house.
inside of me, inside of me.
Automatic.
I'm only a man, funny red tree. I'm only a man looking for a dream. I'm only a man, a funny red tree. It's not easy.
Hello mga Perry Lady.
Yeah, pero
It's
lady.
not
Yes,
easy
mga pretty lady.
to be me.
Hmm?
Ayun o, makyat na si Ma'am Chiching ba? Wala o.
Thank you.
Bakit na si Alpha Romeo, nagtaguan na yung mga pretty lady natin.
Diyan, daming angels.
Daming angels.
Yes, mega shoutout po sa lahat ang mga tigang boys and girls dyan sa baba. Ang real, mga tigang boys and girls. And USY family, mega shoutout.
Yeah, mega shoutout po sa'yo, Ma'am Chichi.
Ay, gabasa na mga pretty lady ng mukha.
Daming angels na Jembuilders. Talo ako, natalo ako.
Siyempre naman.
Yung rock and roll natin, dito pa.
Talo-talo si ano, DJ.
Game na to, game na to.
Talo ang DJ natin.
Rock and
Talo ako.
roll.
ah. Rock and roll.
Pearl Sweezy.
Automatic. Oh.
Ayan
Automatic.
si Ma'am Norms, all kid, all my life daw, sabi niya. Sige po, in a while po.
Sige.
Perfect.
Monday ba ano kayo? Pahinga na.
Oh.
Sige.
Automatic muna tayo.
Matik.
Ba, talaga, pinatutugtog niya yung paborito ko.
Sir Alpha, thank you ulit ha.
Oh, Jean, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kay hirap abutin.
Ay,
Dahil sa inyo,
Okay po, Ma'am Ani
napunta ako
Mendoza.
sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lamang sa isang awitin. Parang kailan lang halos ako ay magpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa inyo, ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko kayo ay handugan. Tatanda at lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala, dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
dahil minsan tayo nagkasama, mga kaibigan.
Yes. Tama.
Parang kailan lang
Automatic.
ang aawitin ko ay ayaw pakinggan.
Kampay.
Dahil sa inyo, narinig ang isip ko at naintindihan. Dahil dito, ibig ko kayong ituring na matalik kong kaibigan. Tatanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala, dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Tatanda
Everybody sing.
lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala, dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
Bubulang TV, hi po.
Tanda at lilipas rin ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyo. Alaala, dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.
you.
Silingan, yo, Boborang TV,
Yo, yo.
mega shoutout.
Yo.
Galing. Talagang.
Thank you so much.
Marvy Mendoza, hi po sa'yo, The Gathering.
Marby Mendez.
Yeah, Mendez
The
pala.
Gathering of Eagles. Alright.
Wow, FLM Love Family Circle. Yes po, Ma'am Marvy.
Kumusta silingan?
Cheers.
Maganda.
Cheers sa mga dilag. Wow, Ma'am Annie Mendoza. Oh, Kuya, All My Life at saka Blue
maganda.
Bayou.
Daming girls dito,
Ano ba
daming
yung
girls.
All My Life?
Daming
All
chicks.
My Life, I've been waiting for.
By America. Ayan.
America.
Ayan, oh, daming chicks.
Mega
All My
shoutout.
Wife.
Hala, grabe.
Jilan TV.
Ayun, si Jilan TV. Hi po sa'yo.
Bilang TV mo.
Kaya,
Cheers! Celebration talaga eh.
Toblerone pa. Red Horse.
Cheers kayo dyan.
Bilis man-knock-out nito.
Wala na akong
Itong
wine.
channel
wala na
ni
akong ano,
Jembuilders,
beer.
pang
Zero na lang.
chill to. Dito inuman lahat.
Ano lang sa'yo, Ma'am Jack?
Dito mag-inuman at saka dito yung tambay yung mga chicks.
Kaya ang dami oh.
Ano ba to, Sir Jembuilders? Every week na ba to?
Every weekend.
Once a week yan.
Once a week to?
Jillian. Hello.
Everybody happy.
Gagamboy, mega shoutout sa'yo.
Everybody happy. Oh, lahat masaya.
Shot tayo, shot.
Oh, shot.
Tambayan.
Oh, sa atin, Jin. Ano sa atin?
Ay, di lang.
Tambayan.
Tubig raman.
Tambayan to ng mga lasinggero at saka mga ano.
Sulat
Mga
tubig.
chikas.
Mga chikas.
Mga sexy.
Andyan si Jillian. Oy.
Perfect.
Oy, Jillian TV, mega shoutout po sa inyo. Welcome back po.
Dobbs TV.
It's been a long time na ano.
Good vibes dito. Walang basher dito. Walang basher.
Ayos.
Cheers.
Ayos.
Walang basher.
Oy, saan ka ba nagaling ano? Sir Jillian TV.
Walang basher, tagi-isang
Nasa Pinas na yun si Jillian.
Ha?
Nandito
Po?
na pala sa Pinas si Jillian.
Kaya
Sana nga, walang basher.
Walang bookingan.
Kasi may red horse. Sa Pinas ka nagilan.
Ayan, Pops Jessie!
Uy.
Hala! Ayan,
Sa Pinas na po, nasa Pinas na.
Aakyat na yan si Pops Jessie.
Quarantine lang,
Pops JC to.
lakas ng tama yan, Sir Jillian TV.
Hoy, nakakatap ng ano na ako. Nakakatap ng mucho na ako.
Hello pa. Grabe. Di ko kaya yan.
Sana all.
Lang ako maximum.
Grabe. Ang lakas ng ano,
Kaya nga
liver lover.
Ayun,
Lakas ng
nakalive
tama
si
niyan.
Pops Jessie. Sayang, Pops Jessie. Akyat ka sana.
Ay, shoutout to JC ah.
Naka-live kasi daw siya.
Oo, dalawa yung live ko.
Hindi palangga, shout out sa'yo.
Sir DIY Tulits. Sunod naman
makiat si
DIY
Sir DIY,
Tulits.
oh.
Pupunta kami sa bahay niyo, Sir DIY Tulits.
Yes. Biroon mo yun, Sir. Kanina umakyat si Sir. Naku, busy ata nagda-drive. Nagda-drive ata si Sir.
Gagaboy!
Spider-Man.
Yo, yo, yo.
Spider-Man.
Sir Gagaboy.
Gagamboy, ang daming chicks dito kay Jembuilders. So, lipat ka, oh.
Oo.
Dito
Lipat
lahat.
na Gagamboy.
Chicks, andito si Ma'am Jenny. Gagamboy.
Magsuot ka ng Spider-Man mo dyan.
Mga dalaga pa yan.
Oo nga.
Oo nga.
Dalana.
Talaga.
Dalaga.
Dalang
Ayan pa. Ayan pa si Ma'am Maria Luisa
Ma'am Maria,
San Jose.
akyat ka, Ma'am
Hi po
Maria.
sa'yo, Ma'am. Dito ka, kabila, Sir
Akyat, Ma'am Maria.
Gagamboy.
Lahat ng mga dalana, akyat.
Andito, dami po tao dito sa kabila, Gagamboy.
Chikwada,
Ayan o, shout out Gagamboy, sabi ni DIY Tulits.
Maria Luisa San Jose.
Hala, ayun, si Parking Boy. Nandun na. Mega shoutout po, Parking Boy FLM TV.
Mega shout out.
Uy,
Mega
dito parang
shoutout Maria
shoutout sa'yo.
Luisa San Jose.
Oo, nandun ka ako lang.
Lahat ng nasa
Gagamboy,
baba.
lipat ka ulit. Oo, parang...
PB Manzano.
Tinawag kita
Pops
kanina, di
Jessie.
mo ata narinig. Ay, nagda-drive si Gagamboy.
Okay, Sir Gagamboy.
Best friend.
Sige po.
Akyat na.
Pagkatin mo si
akyat
Pwede
lang,
Manzano.
sabi ni Ma'am Jenny.
Pwede
Kaya
Manzano.
na mga guys. At ako'y bababa na rin.
Si Ate Jenny ba yan? Si Ate Jenny?
Opo,
Yes,
yung
yes.
senyorita.
Hindi ako nakilala.
Bakit bumata ba siya?
Ang
Bumata?
ganda kasi Ma'am Jenny.
Oo, nagsimula ng pabata.
Nakahalo kasi sa mga
Dalawa.
18 years old eh.
Oo.
Dalawa na yung tingin ko eh, kaya di ko na makilala sa Ate Jenny.
Hubog.
Parang
Apat, lipong na na. Oy.
So, nainggit si Pipito. Si Pipito, akyat ka. Ba't
Akyat
ka
ka kasi,
maingit?
sir. Halika na, magpawis ka din.
Saan ba
Gagaboy.
naglalaboy si Pipito,
Gagaboy.
yung dancer? Natapos na lang ako
Ayan
sumayaw
o, nasa
kanina.
baba, Ma'am Jenny. Hindi pa
Umakyat
daw
ka.
siya makaakyat dahil ang dami pa daw manok nilulu.
Pinawisan
Ano
ako,
ba yung rock and roll?
maraming singot eh.
Hello, Ate Baby ko.
Sa baba, guys.
Si parking.
Natapos na ba yung rock and roll?
Wala. Rock and roll.
Wala pa rock and roll, wala pa.
Wala pa. Okay.
Specs,
Specs.
may
Yeah,
kasama.
akit kasi agad na.
Wala, ayun. Okay.
Specs, nahamon ka niya agad na.
Lady Boss and
Sige, pandero sa'yo.
Happy birthday, parking boy.
Ooh.
Thank you, thank you.
Ay, kantahan natin siya ng happy birthday. Birthday ni parking boy.
Ay. Artney.
Wala.
Alright, everybody, let's
Wala.
sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Parking boy.
Blow ka na candle. Blow ka na candle.
Yes, parking boy. Happy, happy birthday.
Anong wish mo? Wish ka nga.
Guys, wala.
Salamat
Wish
po.
101, Dalmatian.
Ang wish ko, makalabas sa Cebu, sa FLM pa ako mapapats ko.
Yeah. Agyan! Pray pa tayo.
Amen.
Abyag.
Kasya pa po, Sir Pipito. Akyat ka po, Sir Pipito.
Yan, magra-rock and roll tayo.
Rock and roll.
Sayaw yan dito.
Hey, Ate Chikwada shop tayo.
Mega shoutout po sa inyo.
Akyat na,
Happy
Sir
birthday
Pipito.
po. Enjoy.
Sir
Wala na
Pipito.
akong kainuman.
Kainuman.
Ayun.
Umuwi na.
O, dyan sa...
Hindi, ayun no.
Wow,
nagtatay.
dami.
Daming chicks,
Sa taas. Mga chikay, nasa taas.
Ubus na pala yan.
Daming chicks niyan. Pili-pili na kayo. Pili, nagsingko lang. Nagsingko,
Ano, bargain?
Eh, tolodos.
Buy one, get
Tolodos.
one.
Okay na, buy one, take one. Tolodos.
Jembuilders, tahongan store.
Ay, tao.
Taon ni Carla. Taon ni Carla.
Jembuilders, tahongan store. Pili-pili na, tagsingko.
Oh, shoutout na Ma'am Jenny, sabi ni
Mura na
Gatang
lang.
Boy.
Hello, best friend. Ingat sa pagdadrive.
Di ba pwedeng buy one, take one?
Lang. Okay tayo siya.
Namimita. Oh, hangul.
Iba yan. Buy two, take one yan.
Oh.
Sino yung tumawad? Kuripot.
Kuripot nga. Kaya nga, yan yung word.
Gilang ako yun.
Dapat hindi ka
One
kuripot.
pa, buy one, take
Ang
one pa
bibilhin
naman,
mo.
kuripot.
Dapat galante ka.
Hindi, pag gusto mo lahat eh. Siyempre may tawad.
Oh, one love, FLM.
Ah, si ano pala, si
Buburang, Lady Boy,
Jembuilders.
Baby
Ito
ko.
na.
Si Tol pala yan.
Hello, Dirakon.
Alright, let's move.
Ay. Long live sa lahat. Long live.
Let's vote in! FLM, let's vote in!
Catalanis TV, hi sa lahat.
Alright, mega shoutout sa Talanis TV.
Ay, long live sa inyo lahat. Long live.
May chika dito sa kanila, Catalanis.
Pag ayaw mo bumakapin, yung nakapin, Catalanis, i-click mo lang yung nakapin.
Madaming chicks dito sa kabila, Catalanis.
Rising up back in the street. Take a time. our feet to cement, and we will to survive. So many times it happened too fast. You change your passion for glory.
Don't leave.
The lost grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. Iron tiger is the queen of the fight, rising up to a challenge of arrival. And the last of survivors for the fate of the night. And he's watching us for us beyond all the tiger.
Asan ka na, Sir Pepito?
That's the place and the key. Hang tough, stay hungry. Let's not wait till we take to the street for a kill with the skill to survive. It's it, are you tiger? It's the queen of the fight, rising up to a challenge of arrival. And the last, the survivor stuff is ready tonight, and he's watching us for us beyond all the tiger.
Manalo na tayo ng loto dito.
Rising up, straight to the
Nanalo ka na,
top,
Sir Pepito.
and God's the glory. And when the beast now we're not gonna stop. This man and his will to survive. It's an eye of a tiger, it's the queen of the fight, rising up to a challenge of arrival. The last, the survivors of his pain and night, and he's watching us for us beyond all the tiger.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Alright, everybody!
Rock and roll.
Rossi Balase! One, two, three.
Huwag mo pansinin ang naninira sa'yo. Basta't alam mo lang tama ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong ipitin. Kung papatulan mo, lalo ka lang aasarin. No si palasi. Sino ba
Mega shoutout ka na natin, Steven. Yan, nakipat na sa kasalanan.
No si palasi. Sino ba sila?
That's right. Yes, Sir Pepito.
Tuloy mo lang, gawin ang gusto mo. Walang mangyayari kung sila'y papansinin mo.
Alright, Ma'am Perry!
Talagang ganyan, huwag mo lang patulan. Wala lang magawa, kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. Alright, no si balasi. Sino ba sila? No si balasi. Sino ba sila?
Hala, giling.
Yeah, kamagay sila ni Sir Ma.
Pinoy rock.
Dead na dead talaga ako sa mga pakembot-kembot mo. Kapag ikaw ay nangingiti, kaya kita maitutuloy.
Sige na,
Gagamoy,
sige na.
pahipo naman, pahawak naman, di na kita matsansingan.
Cheers, Maria Luisa San Jose. Cheers mo sa iyo, ha?
Sayawan tayo, Makoy House! Si Mang Pereo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, sa
Riders
Pipito.
Awesome, Cha-Cha Moriha. Yes, come on, Ferry 77. Chick Wara.
Hi Maricel Suba!
Sir Pipito.
Mega shoutout po, Mayra Bonifacio.
Cha-cha, atras, abante.
Powerhouse.
Bawal daw ang lasing. Ayos lang yan basta nasa sariling tahanan. Alright! Woo!
Tawi como va. Ser Pepito, bueno bago sa.
Mulata,
Tawi como va. Ser Pepito, bueno bago sa. Molata.
Survey people in the house.
Wala na, tawa na naman si Sir Alpha. Woo!
ayun no? Ganda ng shirt!
Wow.
Champion na lang talaga. Yun ang best of the best.
Ayos, Survey Pito!
Yes, okay, Makoy House. Salamat, Makoy House.
Good job. Good job.
Arriba, arriba! Sir Pepito, Sir Pepito.
Dragon Boy Unleashed, mega shoutout sa iyo.
Yes, John.
Asa na si Machimpo? Alright, todo nyo ba? Todo-todong sayawan with the Evelyn family!
Todo mo na, todo!
Porque sabes que te quiero, no te aprovechas, porque
Mayra
sabes que te
Bonifacio,
adoro.
Touch
Me
my
tratas
touch.
mal, crees que estás en tu derecho, pero te has equivocado. Y un día tantos me deseo y te pongo en tu lugar. Últimamente
Sir Pepito,
no tienes tiempo,
Sir Pepito.
no estés pensando en un juego. Tú ten en cuenta
Nanalo ng loto.
tantos detalles me estás cansando. Si lo prefieres,
Sir Pepito.
el hueso es oro,
Congratulations,
así
Isaiah.
es mi corazón. Eso es
Pero Sir Pepito,
todo,
nanalo siya ng loto.
todo, el cuello de tu cuerpo, todo, junto con tu sonrisa, todo, tú los recuerdas, todo, ya sé cómo adorarte, si tuviera que olvidarte, aprenderé.
Gusto na Sir Pepito,
Ay, ay, ay.
gusto siya ng loto. Hindi pa siya nanalo.
Porque sabes que te
Salamat,
quiero,
Makoy
no
House.
te aprovechas, porque sabes que te adoro, me tratas mal, crees que estás en tu derecho, pero te has equivocado, y un día tantos me decido y te pongo en tu lugar.
Sir Pepito,
te digo, otros detalles me estás cansando. Si lo prefieres, yo me despido. He hecho todo al olvido. Así es mi corazón. All right, swing time. Arriba. More cross squad. Alegre ba? Apil sayaw, Mare Cross Squad.
Standing beside you,
Wishing you'll always be close to me. And how can I tell you all the night I see in my dreams? Don't leave me, I will never let you go. Why did this have to be a fantasy? Wishing your love become reality. Come on, how I pray for the days to come. What will be joy together for this world? I feel your passion burning deep inside my soul. I knew this illusion. I know you catch me if I fall. Believe me, I will never let you go. Why did this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the days to come. What do we do to get through this one? La 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 la, la la la. Together as one. La 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 la, la la la. Together as one. La 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 la, la la la. Together as one. La 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 la, la la la.
Ma'am Bicolit Steven, make a shout out.
Shout out! We are now 130 viewers.
Wow.
Shout out sa mga friends ni Bakuy.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hoy, silingan dito, Mar Cross Squad. Taga San Fernando. Sa tanaw mga nagtanaw diya sa San Fernando, Cebu. Make a shout out mga silingan.
Yan tawag ko kanina sa'yo.
Leave me to me. I will never let you go.
Why did this have to be a fantasy?
Let's make the love become reality. Come on.
Oh, how I pray for the days to come.
When we'll be joined together for this one. La 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 la, la la la.
Together as one.
La 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 la, la la la.
Together as one.
La 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 la, la la la.
Together as one.
La 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 la, la la la.
Together as one.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, sila samurai.
I love this night, guys. Come on. Silingan kayo, Mark Rock.
Let's take the job to the city.
Come on, everyone.
Working
Nasa
for
kayo.
a man every
Saka sa
night
kabilang
and
level,
day.
chicks.
And never lose 1 minute of sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been.
Big wheels keep on turning. Round and we keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river.
Last beat in Memphis, pump a lot of plane down in New Orleans. But I never saw the good side of the city till the kicks of man
On the
raised
river,
up the queen.
come on. Big wheels keep on turning, turning. Round and we keep on burning. Rolling, 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 rolling on the river.
Abiyag!
Yema, yema, yema. Mark Brooks. Hi po sa'yo. Go, go, Dragon Boy. Ha.
matumba ako pag tumayo ako.
One, two, three, now. Come on, everybody.
Boys, boys, boys. Alright. Babae yata lahat dito.
Ayan ang mga boys,
Makakatayo talaga.
Boys, boys, boys. Boys, boys, boys. Boys,
Boys,
boys. Let's go.
Yeah, come on, senyorita!
Tayo.
Sayaw na po! Sunshine down, so
Pinawisan ako.
sets your body free. Hold me tight, my love tonight. Tell me you believe.
Let's morning the night.
Everybody, summertime love, you remember me. Everybody, summertime love, be my lover, be my baby. Boys, boys, boys.
Yan, magsini, nagpapalit.
Boys, boys, boys.
Sexy.
Boys, boys, boys.
I'm looking for the good time.
Boys, boys, boys.
Get ready for love.
Ala tagay, Ma'am Mimi
Okay,
ko.
Sir Jembuilders.
Let's rock tonight. Come on.
Rock and roll, rock and roll.
Alright, guys.
Mga headbangers in the house, nasa na kayo? Pakita ka ng isang malakasang headbang. Alright.
Chick, chick, wala. Wag mo na. Open na yung cam mo. Come on, guys. Yes, wag na po mahiya.
Ay, okay na ako.
Let's go. Siska's smile when it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories with everything was a breeze, was a blood blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, it takes me away to that special place. I haven't stayed too long. I probably break down and cry. Sweet child of mine.
Sir Jembuilders, okay lang po, Sir Jembuilders.
Whoa, oh, 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 sweet love of mine. Let's go.
Para masaya naman, Sir Jim. Whoa, we are on 125. Woohoo!
She's got eyes and a blue and sky. I made things from the rain. I had to look into those eyes, and she's been down the pain. In here reminds me of the one safe place where I try my life. I pray for a thunder, wanna rain me, only me pass me by. Whoa, wow, wow, sweet child of mine. Whoa, whoa, oh, 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 sweet love of mine.
Everybody say, shout out. Everybody.
Oh, Ma'am Lady Boss, akit na po, Ma'am Lady Boss. May nag-request po sa'yo.
Puno na. Dito sa kabila. Akit sa kabila.
Oh, kabila daw, kabila. Sino gusto dyan? Buburang. Dito naman sa kabila, buburang. Angel.
Guilty pleasure, make a shout out.
Sweet child of mine. Sweet love of mine.
Maria.
Whoa,
Everybody say,
Yes po, Marlon Brooks Vlog. Nakatukar rin
Oh,
sa
nakatukar. Sa Osteng, Marl.
This is a song for the broken hearted. New silence prayer for the big departed.
Chris Joy Orion, mega shoutouts.
I ain't gonna be just a prince in the crowd. You gotta hear my voice when shout it right now.
Shout it, shout it.
It's my life and I will never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live a life, a life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. The rocket said I did it my way. I just wanna live a life, a life. It's my life. Wow, wow.
Chris Joy. Hi,
This is the ones who stole the ground. Well, Tommy and Gina never back down. Tomorrow, Gail Hall made no mistake. Lucky, never lucky, God's making on break.
Honest.
It's my life and I will never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just wanna live a life, a life. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. The prophet said I did it my way. I just wanna live a life, a life. It's my life.
Hoy, yes, another song for everyone.
everybody say, talking in your sleep.
Kung sino bang gusto umakyat, pwede po kayo umakyat dito sa kabila ko kay MJ. Bubulan!
Bababa na lang po ako. Ano yung mga gusto ko umakyat? Onda po. Baba lang ako.
Hello, Auntie Bernadette Martindale.
When you close your eyes and you go to sleep, 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 and it's down to the sound of a heartbeat.
Yes, MJ
I can
solo.
hear the things that you're dreaming about. When you open up your heart and the truth comes out. Tell me that you want me.
Tell me that you want
You tell me that you need me.
Tell me that you need
You
me.
tell me that you love me.
Tell me that you love me.
And I know that I'm right, 'cause I hear it in the night out. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. When I hold you in my arms at
Yes,
night.
Bernadette, ano po yun?
Hello, Auntie, all the way from
Don't you
Canada.
know you're sleeping in the spotlight? And all your dreams that you keep inside, side, side. You're telling me the secrets that you just can't hide. You tell me that you want me.
Tell me that you want me.
Tell me that you need me.
Tell me that you need me.
Tell me that you love me.
Tell me that you love me.
And I know that I'm right, 'cause I hear it in
What,
your
guys?
eyes. Come on. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. Come on. I hear the secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Marl. Before Marl.
Everybody come.
Make it another song.
The pitch move.
Whoa, 189. Wow.
With the baby, I know on my hand. I just can't get it up. I just can't get it up.
Every time I think of you, I know we have to meet him.
I just can't get it up. I just can't get it up.
It's getting harder, it's a burning love.
Dragon Boy.
Just can't seem to get enough. Come on, ooh, na na, ooh, na na, ooh, na na.
Wow, ang gwapo ni Alvin.
I just can't get it up. I just can't get it up.
Every time I think of you, I know we
Salamat po, Mamayra.
I just can't get it up. I just can't get it up.
it's getting harder, it's a burning love, and I just can't seem to get enough.
Sayaw Dragon Boy.
Oh, Dragon Boy. Alright, sino want to request this song?
Touch by touch, Dragon Boy, mega shoutout sa'yo, sir. Ayun, no?
Yes, kumamang senyorita.
Lagi, sayaw mo mo.
Alden the Builders, shout out!
Simply Beats. Chilen TV once again, ang buburam. Akyat ka, buburam.
Dragon Boy na din. Morning Dale. Mega shoutout po. Sige po, request po. Pasayaw ako dahil.
Yeah, pasayaw ako dahil.
Ikapoy na si Dragon Boy. Agoy.
Tira, Pepi. Dahan-dahan lang, Pepi. Kapoy. Kumakayang. Ipagkapoy na, Nig. Ipagkapoy na.
Kapoy ko daw.
Amo na sayaw diya. Dahan-dahan lang, Pepi, ha? Nakagili.
Oo nga, Simply
Kaya
Beats.
ako nag-chip.
Dragon Boy, nag-prepare pa.
Asan nag-chip to?
Madaya si Kuya Alpha. Madaya.
Watching from Singapore. Ayan, Johnny Aiko. Mag-Josa.
Nahulog,
Shout
nahulog.
out. Mopos
Boy.
Rocky. Mega shout out.
Alam mo, ito mga
Akyat ka Mopos Rocky.
Alright, Dolly, ay kumagdo sa hype ko sa inyo. Dolly.
Dito lang ako sa inyo. Ako'y manonood ng inyong mga sayaw. Nakikinig ako.
Basaki.
When I feel the time is right and you're still you by my side.
Come on.
A love you give that you need makes my heart beat.
Yeah.
When my fancies fly away, bad my feelings make me stay.
Yes,
I see the fire in your eyes. It makes my heart beat. Come on,
Heartbeat, come on.
do it, myself, do it. Night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it, myself, do it. Anyway, like there is no other. Touch by touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to skin.
Akyat na po.
Come
Basta
under my collar. Woo!
Yama, yama.
Iinit sa lugar ko. Natutunaw yung yelo.
Ayan, shoutout sa lahat ng mga
Hinay-hinay ka lang
nanonood sa
dyan, Simply
Canada.
Beats.
Hi, si Oliver. Mega
When
shout
my
out.
heart is full of love, it makes me a turtle die. Love, a game that we play night and day. When our love is clear and bright, it's our way to see the light. There's a fire in your heart night and day. Do it, Mr. Do it, night and day. You're my old time lover. Do it, Mr. Do it, anyway. Like there is no other. Touch, my touch. You're my old time lover. Skin to the skin. Come under my cover.
Like
Alright.
this. We gonna do another song. Is that the oldest but goodest? Yeah, salamat. Paano ba magbasa? Appreciate.
Everybody say,
Ano to, parente?
Yeah, come on everyone. Oldest but goodest. Everybody say, come on now. Everybody say. You will be more fun po if nandito po kayo sa kabila kasi ang dami-dami po sumasayaw po dito sa Ma'am Bernadette. And please just don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe po.
Ate Bustaki, shout out sa'yo, Ate Bustaki. Hello.
Alright, here goes.
Like it's another song. Oldest but goodest.
Designer music!
Yes, come on ladies, come on ladies.
Hala, pira.
Ma'am Flower Rose, come on. Ma'am Senorita.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Bernadette.
Everywhere you go.
Here's Light Flash. Come on.
Southern Blogger High. Oh, you got it hell.
Sander Blocker, sir.
This
Make a
is
shout
Flash.
out.
While you think you're able, it's got to have a label.
Yeah.
Designer music. Designer music.
Wala! Bilang boy!
What it means. Sticking on your shoes.
Galaw-galaw!
On your jeans. Because this is fashion. It's got to be fashion. Designer music. Designer music.
Ay, Abela!
Ala, indak. Guilty pleasure, come on. Oh, ah. Oh, nakakasaya nito si Dragon Boy, oh. Ang ganda ng t-shirt pa.
Designer music. Designer music. Oh, galaw-galaw kayo dyan. Following the crowd is their game. Everything depends
Yeah, it depends.
on which name. It's got to be designer.
Talk to me, tell me your side. You take the side like a Gemini. You playing games now, hitting my heart like a drum. Yeah, baby. Well, it's a lady's life. He's on my side. We gonna rock this song live. I let me rook me up till she knocks me out. Cause she walks like she talks, like she talks, like she walks. She bangs, she bangs. Oh baby, when she moves, I'm crazy cause she looks like a flower, but she sings like a bee. Like every girl in history, she bangs, wasted by the way she moves. No one ever looks so fine. She reminds me that a woman got one thing on her mind. Talk to me, tell me your name. I'm just a laying like a daisy chain. Your rap sounds like a diamond map through the stars. Yeah, baby. Talk to me, tell me anew. You rip me out like a screw like you. Well, dance at the bed of the song and you're gone. Yeah, baby. Well,